selection process here for the Anganwadi worker is silent, Your Lordship. Your Lordship kindly see,
What is the wrong in the process?
Your Lordship kindly see, annexure 1, page 8, Your Lordship.
Appeal.
The advertisement issued on 16/6.
You have the appellate provision?
Your Lordship,
You have the appellate provision?
I have filed a representation, but they have not considered.
No, appeal.
Appeal file for
You have to file an appeal, sir.
If Your Lordship objects, I will file the office.
Yeah, the grievance of the petitioner is that. What is the grievance?
Your Lordship, the selection process, the residence certificate that is categorically stated.
The grievance of the
that
petitioner is that the selection process is over now.
Now,
already appointment issued.
engagement order already issued.
The petitioner, being a deserving candidate, has been excluded from the purview of the selection list. Because of what?
The residence certificate should have to be obtained on or before the advertisement
You
issued.
have not given.
They have given the post dated
Who has given?
the selected candidate, the opposite party number 5.
Sorry, the opposite part number 5. 5 has given a residential certificate
Issued on,
after the cut-off date.
yes, 28/6.
Hence, the selection of the candidate, the OP number, selection of the OP number 5 is deserves to be set aside.
Yes, sir.
Lord Constable of the State, Mr. Mohan submits that. Since there is appeal provision under what is the provision?
Anganwadi.
What is the act?
Act and guidelines.
Guideline?
Guideline. As per
Topic.
that, yes.
As per the guideline, provided, what is the guideline then? What is the name of the guideline?
David.
What is the guideline, sir?
Lordship, the guideline is saying that the sub-collector will be the appellate authority.
No. ADM.
Under which guideline?
So,
Guideline account.
revised guidelines for selection of.
Anganwadi Act.
Kahi anantini apan mane kichi why this is we are so careless. I don't.
I'm sorry, but the guidelines.
Guide guideline kai bahi anibeni apan. Ame kuchi apan bahar ke.
Next time I will be cautious. Chalo.
Nobody is getting any book just like that. You will come. Those who don't want to argue the case, you don't bring a book.
If you-
Go ahead from it.
Yes.
And those who want to seriously do that, please get book.
Sure, I am making sure.
Guideline for appointment of Anganwadi worker,
Yeah.
wherein under which
ADM is the appellate authority.
hmm?
ADM is the appellate authority.
why is a provision na court solve na?
ठीक है
No, your lordship, the sub-collector is the appellate authority. For rural.
That's why I want, please show the guideline, another
Your lordship, can listen. Can listen, your lordship.
Show me that.
I marked that.
appointment की
Sub-point item.
What is the name? Revised guideline for selection of Anganwadi workers issued by the Department of Women and
Women and
Child
Development.
Government of Odisha. है ना? Wherein
Sub-point I, your lordship.
the under the said guideline, the sub-collector will be the appellate authority. For hearing any complaints regarding the selection of Anganwadi workers.
collect ADM होगा
है ना?
The rural.
रूरल नहीं है एक ही सॉफ्टवेयर चेयरमैन
But so just a minute. Sub-collector will be the appellate authority for hearing complaints regarding selection of Anganwadi workers for tribal and rural projects. And ADM will be the appellate authority for complaints regarding selection of Anganwadi workers for urban project. It is quota.
The rural.
Rural.
one टिक्के मो here paging तो करना थी sub collector is the chairperson of the selection
I
committee.
am not on that. Who is the appellate authority?
Yes, that's I'm saying.
Next point.
In
See-
this,
See the C point, the next I. Sub-collector will be the appellate authority for hearing complaints regarding selection of Anganwadi workers for tribal and rural projects.
Yes.
And ADM will be the appellate authority for complaints regarding selection of Anganwadi workers for urban projects. Collector shall be the appellate authority for, in case sub-collector ADM have approved the selection as paragraph G and H. have.
in the present case, sub-collector is the chairman of selection committee.
Hmm.
So how he will hear the appeal? ତାଙ୍କର ଏଇଠି document show କରୁଛି ତାଙ୍କ file ରେ.
Even the ADM is also the part of the selection committee.
Nahin.
Yeah. In the election of, okay, sub-collector.
Let's come to page 19. Page 19 of the brief. The appropriate authority କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ
To the appellate authority. leave it.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
Lordship,
To approve the
in
appellate
that,
authority
in the event, your lordship.
for redressal of the grievance, and the said grievance shall be redressed within a period of 2 months from today. Hello?
Lordship, may I add the ADM as a party? I have not added.
I am not
anything.
doing anything, simply go to the appropriate authority. Have I said collector? I have not done anything. Hello?
Yes, Lordship.
We go to the
As Lordship.
Next.
Item number 2,
Two.
My lord, I'm appearing behalf of Mr. N.K. Naik. Kindly pass over the matter.
Why you argue the matter? What is the big
My lord,
issue?
he's facing some medical issues, so he's coming within half an hour, my lord.
What issue टा कौन?
My lord, due to कुछ infection.
Issue में कहाँ का पता नहीं? Your case. What is the case? I am less bothered about what is the infection or who is where.
My lord, I don't have the file with me,
The
so.
petitioner you when widow residing issued during lifelong person consent. Bank related qualification person has been banned from. No. The petitioner's husband insured himself under Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana PMSBY scheme under OP number 2 through the OP number 1 by one-time premium paid rupees 12 from the saving bank account of the petitioner's husband. Bank account. किसने बनाया ये? Who has drafted this? This is a pathetic
No.
drafting.
I'm really sorry.
देखो, कम से कम ढंग से केस प्रेजेंट तो करिएगा था। ये बड़ा जहाँ था लेकिन इसको छाड़ दो। मैंने नीचे बना दिया ना क्लार्क मैंने बना दिया।
No, my
I'm very
lord, Mr.
sorry.
Manoj Kumar.
This is
has
very
not-
sorry. देखो, so look at it. The petitioner was paying the annual premium and the money was deducted from the account of her husband. The petitioner's husband met with a road accident and he died on 18/7/2021. After the death of the husband, she claimed the insured amount of rupees 2 lakh through the opposite party number 1. Full stop. The OP number 1 intimated to OP number 2 and 3 through their official email that what is the prayer? I don't understand. You earned interest You want mental agony fee? There is fee for mental agony. কি তো কি advocate কি?
My lord, advocate is Manoj Kumar Naik as he was
You
facing.
call him. You call him. I want to ask him.
Yes, my lord.
When is he coming?
My lord, he said he will be here within 30 minutes. So that's the reason I'm asking for passover.
Password. Password.
Oh, yes, my lord.
Okay, next.
Item 3,
May I please, your lordship. My lord, I am praying to list this matter along with the WPC number 2482 to up 2021 because the petition is the same. And I had filed the petition earlier
Why? Why this?
regarding the non-release of it-
Why he has filed earlier than this petition?
that matter has not been adjudicated. That's why again he has filed the same.
Sorry? You are saying some petition has been filed earlier.
Yes, my lord.
What is it for?
Regarding the release of his maturity value, madam, of his LLC.
And this petition?
This is also same, madam.
Why two petition?
Earlier, she has filed, but it has not been adjudicated. That's why
Then you file again.
so,
You declared that here in this petition, there is earlier matter pending.
no, madam, it has
Why?
not been declared. That's
Cost
why
of rupees 1,000 is imposed on the petitioner for filing writ petition after writ petition for the same cause of action. This is abuse of processual law. And the petition is directed to withdraw one. Quota withdraw karibi. Eta na seta.
the previous one,
Previous one number kontu.
2482,
Petition number civil 2482.
82 of 2021.
The petitioner seeks to withdraw 2421. And please, cost shall be deposited with the state. High Court Bar Association. Within 1 week from today. It will the matter on 5th ras. ଆପଣ ଦେଲା ପରେ
item number 4,
May I please, your lordship. My lord, petitioner is a blind my lord. My lord, ତା ବାପା ଗୋଟେ my lord LIC କରିଥିଲେ ସେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟର୍ଡ ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ସେ my lord ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ଗୋଟେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଟେ ତାର ସେଟାକୁ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା
petitioner is a blind.
blind man 100% blind man
What happened? His father made an
ମାନେ ତା ବାପା ଗୋଟେ LIC କରିଥିଲେ my lord ସେ
young or
ହଁ ଇଏ ନୋମିନି ଥିଲେ my lord
you know means.
ଇଏ ଯେ ଅନ୍ଧ
What is the problem?
my lord ସେ ଯୋଉ ଡେଥ୍ ପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ ପାଇଲେ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପରେ ଗୋଟେ ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ LIC କରିଥିଲେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦେଇଛି ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ my lord ଆନେକ୍ସଚର ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର 14 ଆନେକ୍ସଚର 5 my lord ଏଟା ଟିକେ
ସେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କଣ କହିଲେ ଏଇ LIC ବାଲା କଣ
ସେ ଶୁଣୁନାହାନ୍ତି my lord କିଛି ଏ ଅନ୍ଧ ଲୋକ ଟିକେ
what is the representation?
my lord ପେଜ ନମ୍ବର 14 ଆନେକ୍ସଚର 5 my lord
Page number 14.
my lord
LIC. Who is appearing for LIC here? Take instruction. Learn concept of the LIC. We'll copy them.
my lord
And concept of the LIC. Shall take instruction regarding the non-payment of the claim from the LIC policy bearing policy number 586-621139 dated 28/9/2007.
my lord
Let him take instruction, okay? We should list the matter on 4th September.
oblige my lord
We can do 12 copies. Okay, 12. Put a copy there.
my lord
Then consider the, LIC. Yeah, he'll give now.
মানে আইটেম নম্বর 3 টা
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে কপি তাহলে কপি সবে কপি আছে LIC LIC মুম্বাইর কি কাম LIC তো লোকাল LIC অফিস বুঝিবা মুম্বাই
oblige my lord
নেক্সট
Item number 5.
5.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the matter is regarding on arbitrary disengagement letter of an Angarwadi helper. And the petitioner is a destitute woman, a scheduled caste widow, who has lost her husband during COVID-19. With an engagement,
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ସେଗୁଡାକ ଏଇଟା ଏବେ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି?
she has been disengaged.
Disengage
Arbitrary.
why?
The sub-collector has give a remark that her selection was not as per government guidelines, and specifically
After how many years will be this?
after 9 months of service.
After 9 months.
Ah.
What
The
are the-
sub-collector has mentioned
Hmm.
in the resolution copy, normally the selection is done at the village level. When the village Mahila Sabha is conducted,
Correct.
if it is not finalized in the Mahila Sabha,
Hmm.
the selection committee and the CDPO, who is the head of the selection committee, that brought a resolution that they will be called for to the office headquarters, and by the interview they will finalize the selection process. The sub-collector has stated that the resolution what the CDPO has prepared on that date of selection in the village, in that resolution copy, the advertisement date was not filled up. So that was the reason he has stated this.
Who has selected you? The village, the sub.
No, the CDPO.
No, no. Who selects you? The village, the selection takes place at the village level.
Yes, in the village
In
level.
your case, it was not done.
No, in the village level,
In your case, was it done or not?
it was not done.
Then,
No.
that is wrong.
No, my lord, this,
Why
when,
no? Sir, no kimti kuhantu.
sir, selection.
When a selection procedure is to be done through a particular method,
Yes.
if that method is not followed, it is wrong.
No, sir, there is alternative method. If for law and order situation, the first method is failed,
Hmm.
then the alternate method is the CDPO will call the candidates.
Was there
to
is
the-
law and order situation for selection? I don't
Well,
think.
she is the responsible for not holding the village committee
What
because
is the law and order problem?
There were two groups.
Ah,
So the majority of the group
ah.
who will exercise their option in a
Okay,
particular.
then fresh karbe कौन टाइगला?
I
Fresh
said,
करो।
my kind of glance to
My
the
lord,
earlier requisition, my lord.
तो आपन you participate.
I am the
करते हैं।
deserving candidate, my
अरे
lord. Sir, sir.
रुको, who are you? I don't recognize you. Please sit down. When petitioner and the government, let him reply.
I filed an intervention petition, my lord.
Want to intervention में allow कर ही नहीं जाए ना? Sit down. So question is, this lady name was, so how many people, how many candidates applied for the post? Total?
there are two candidates.
Two candidates, you and both of you, both of your clients. So the village level meeting was convened.
Yes.
Then what happened?
Village level meeting
Hmm.
was not concluded because there were a difference of opinion between.
Selected? By selected?
I was selected.
Then what happened?
Then the opposite party.
Went to the appellate authority.
Yes.
Then appellate authority said what?
Opponent said that this my selection procedure was not fair because reason was given simply in the resolution copy that advertisement number was blank. Then it is duty of the employer, the CDPO.
Hmm.
She was writing the resolution copy.
Wait, show me that order. Where is the order CDP or is that appellate?
Page 32, 30,
30,
32,
32. Let's read it.
subpart order.
Advertisement number nil, date of conducting this is nil, Gram Sabha is nil, everything is nil, date of resolution is also nil. On the other hand, a copy of resolution dated 28 conducted in the Raj Gahara Pokhari Anganwadi Center is finished furnished by respondent two. To disclose that one Mahila Sabha was conducted. Presence of CDPO sector. This is right order, what is wrong?
Sir, whatever copy I have obtained from the CDPO's office through RTI. There is the date and number, everything is.
Sir, I am not going to verify the RTI thing, sir. this is the passed by a competent authority. Unless you show me something brazen violation, then I can't consider this. He has rightly written that though the class reservation vacancy will be not applicable in selection of religious predominantly, the instant case there are two applicants. The appellant belongs to general community. There is the respondent one belongs to SC community. The selection has been made accordingly. However, this code is you are from the general community.
Yes.
You are from the general.
No, I am from SC.
You are from the SC.
SC.
कार मार्ग अधिक थिला मार्क फैक्ट इधर मार्क फैक्ट
नहीं।
नथिंग एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन दरकार नहीं
No, educational qualification. सेतबल थला 8th class, something was like that.
how your candidate
She is
better?
opposed, my lord. I am challenging that. I filed earlier writ petition at 17,317.
आपण पकडले
Yes, I have filed that earlier writ petition.
Hmm.
Pursuant to that direction, her Jawaz,
what is the age
kind of against the whole.
what is the age sir
Yes.
you are saying our age mean what is the age I have to tell
ତାଙ୍କର ବୟସ 18 ରୁ 42 ବର୍ଷ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ହୋଇଥିବ.
younger age
At the time of she was
44%.
Sir, that period, my age was
she was
42.
43.
Hmm?
She was 43.
43
I have annexed the voter ID card.
but he has challenged the order of the this here the age factor is not written where is it he has challenged the order of the sub collector Bhadrav where this age factor is not
In this case, my lord.
Ah.
But pursuant to
I am not on that.
Yes.
This pursuant to this order, he has disengaged. In this
Yes.
order, where is the question of this age? Where is the age is?
No, my lord. For age, there was no confusion. My lord,
for that
in the
reason,
last case, Honorable High Court's order, the CDPO was directed to submit the action taken report, and the CDPO has also served a copy to Honorable High Court. It
What
is
the
in
action
Annexure
taken?
10.
What is the action taken?
That is in Annexure 10, page 29.
No.
She has categorically stated that everything was as per the government directions, it has been followed. So there was no.
What is the
nothing
action
wrong.
taken report mean?
The sub-collector has, the Honorable High Court has directed that the CDPO should act upon the sub-collector's letter. Sub-collector has directed the CDPO to submit the action taken report, whether it has been conducted as per government guidelines or not. To that effect, this CDPO has replied in Annexure 10, my lord, it is page 29, with a copy to Honorable High Court also. She has categorically stated.
Sir, tell me one thing.
Sure.
What is wrong in this order by the sub collector order? I don't find anything wrong.
He has written that the number and date was.
Number, yes, that is very important.
No.
Number, date, resolution number, all these things are very important. How can you ignore that?
No, I am not
Any
ignoring.
any advertisement?
My lord, it is the duty of the
Duty,
CDPO.
whose duty it may be? He is rightly pointed out. Duty କାହାର? Point ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁଛି ମୁଁ ସାର୍
I will
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଏଜ
suffer.
ବି ତ ଅଧିକ ଥିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ
yes,
At that time, I was 42. At that point of time, I was not of age.
so
yes, I have given the election.
when the advertisement when was the cut off date at that point of time was he 42 plus?
Well, advertisement on 18/10/21.
अरे से advertisement last date form ଦେଲା ବେଳେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ଏଜ କେତେ ଥିଲା
43.
ପକ୍କା
Yes, I have given the voter ID card.
18 ରୁ 42
21, 22 I have given. 17,370 ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛି.
It was 42, my lord.
It is written.
42
Yes, my lord.
No, no.
18, 21, 25, 25, 4,
Masaji Dena, it is written 44.
44
Yes, my lord, kind of glass of 17,000 registration number. It is annexed.
ସେ ଲାଗିଛି ଆଜି
Yeah, yes, it
ଆଜି
is there.
ଲାଗିଛି
For that reason, this honorable court is pleased to send the matter to the for first redressal, my lord.
But the sub-collector has no say regarding the age. No dispute on the age factor.
he has not discussed the age thing
Again, one of the criteria is that.
but one of that he has not discussed that issue sir he is challenging the sub collector order
But this
something
honorable,
not there how will you take up the issue
but this honorable court interfered, my lord. For that reason.
honorable court କେତେଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିବ ମ କେତେଟା honorable court କରୁଛ ବସିକି ତୁ ଛାଡକୁ ଏଇଠି ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛୁ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ଫାଇଲ କରୁଛୁ 10ଟା ଲେଖା ଫାଇଲ କରି ପଳେଇ ଆଉଛୁ ତୁ ଛାଡକୁ ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 10ଟା ଲେଖା ଫାଇଲ ବେଶୀ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ କରୁଛୁ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଚାଲିଥିବ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ କୋର୍ଟକୁ
41 days.
ମାନେ ଆପଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
Declaration submitted to the Honorable Court of Law.
30 कौन है
page 30 my lord,
कौन लिखला
the last para. The CDPO has submitted to this honorable court. ଏଥିରେ ଚୟନ କମିଟିରେ କୌଣସି ମନ୍ଦ ଉଦ୍ଦେଶ୍ୟ ନାହିଁ ବା ନଥିଲା ଏବଂ ମନୋନୟନ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ଅନୁକମ୍ପା କିମ୍ବା ଅନିୟମିତତା କରାଯାଇ ନାହିଁ ଓ ମାତାଜୀ ଜେନାଙ୍କୁ ସରକାରଙ୍କ ଧାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ନିୟମାବଳୀ ଅନୁସାରେ ନିଯୁକ୍ତି ଦିଆ ହୋଇଅଛି।
आज्ञा से CDPO से करले बोली तो से सब कलेक्टर फाउंड दैट इट इज रॉन्ग सब कलेक्टर से तो कहबो मु भलो करते सब बढ़िया करी बोली ता कथा कोन बेदरकार ता अपलेट अथॉरिटी कहला से भूल करची आपण एडवर्टाइजमेंट नंबर दबनी ये दबनी तो सेति में भूल तो कला बोली मु आउथरे करबी कहूची असुविधा कोन हला
नहीं my lord,
आपण एज पळे जो मु कोन कर करबी बट प्रोसीजर हैज टू बी फॉलोड
नहीं, my
जस्ट
lord,
बिकॉज़ यू आर आउट
नहीं, my lord, जोटा मु पाइची आरटीआर मगेची सेथिरे
आपण आरटीआई रे कोन मगे छै आई एम लिस्ट बदल बट आरटीआई रे आजकल आरटीआई भी फ्रॉड होते चलती आजकल गोटे बने आछन लोग आरटीआई रे मगे थिले बोली कहि दउछन
my lord, that will be
सदा
verified
को
from
से
the-
भी होची आजकल हाथ रे बना होची आरटीआई रे आसिला बोली कहि देखा होची से भी तो हम जानू सिस्टम आरटीआई का मो भरोसा नहीं आरटीआई डॉक्यूमेंट मो भरोसा मत करबी अनलेस दिस इज वेरी तो वेरीफाई करबी से अथॉरिटी आजकल से आरटीआई बोली लिखि दउछन जे आनी निजे सील मार आरटीआई दे देला जा इन्फॉर्मेशन सेंते भी होची अगर होनी आपण मना करिवे एमती होनी
नहीं, my lord,
देन आरटीआई बटे मते देखा दो प्रोसीजरल fairness has to be maintained
Yes.
and for that procedural fairness I am directing for fresh selection सेतरे जीए पाओ जीए जाओ दिस बदर हला सिंपल
my lord, CDPO रो भूल ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ
किए
ସଫଳ
कार
ରହିଛି।
भूल हैला मु जानिनी सिस्टम फॉलो हेनी कि सीडीपो कोन ब्रह्मा
नहीं, simply ଗୋଟେ number ଯଦି blind
सेला
ରହିବ,
सिंपल गोटे नंबर माने एडवर्टाइजमेंट नंबर रहबनी डेट रहबनी किछ रहबनी
ସେଦିନ
सीडीपो भूल पई सिस्टम के सफर करियो
sir,
गोटे भूल हे जे ताको परफेक्ट करिवे
नहीं, ସେଦିନ ମିଟିଂ ରେ 50
nothing
ଲୋକ
doing
ସାଇନ୍
sir I
କରିଛନ୍ତି।
am passing order fresh selection खत्म
ତାହେଲେ my lord, ମତେ କନସିଡର କରାଯିବ ତାହେଲେ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ
आपण एज काई कंसीडर कर जिवो काई की आपण सेतरे ये आपण एज सेते ऑलरेडी क्रॉस कर सारथिले
नहीं, नहीं,
मु कहि दउची ठीक अछि कंसीडर कर जदी एज
Yes.
आफ्टर क्रॉस थिबो ताले
yes,
कंसीडर
my, yes, my,
तारे पार्टिसिपेट करन
Yes, ma'am.
हां ठीक अछि डन डन नेक्स्ट
से आगे आधार कार्ड टाउ नहीं कि
आज्ञा छोड़ दूर आधार कार्ड एज रे कोन माने अछि आधार कार्ड जा लिखि दे लिखि फॉर्म फिल
सेटा
होता
से दैट सी इज
नाही आधार कार्ड साइड
आधार कार्ड भी करी करते बट आई हैव द इलेक्टिव
आपण को क्लास से पढिछन केते पढिछन
बट किछ नै मु लिखि दे
स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट थिबो ना स्कूल लिविंग सर्टिफिकेट थिबो
full living certificate,
जाओ प्रोड्यूस करिवे ना ऑथेंटिक
yes,
ऑथेंटिक
Yes.
डेट ऑफ बर्थ प्रूफ
yes,
हां बस
तो तांका एप्लीकेशन टाइम कर दो जाय
this-
ठीक है आगे
आई एम नॉट इंटरफेयरिंग आई एम नॉट अलाउइंग एनी इंटरवेंशन ओके तू चुपचाप रहो घर को जा प्लान को रेडी हो और तो इंटरव्यू दो देखो द पिटिशनर challenges द आपण कोन चैलेंज करछथि
disengagement letter,
आगे से लेटर नंबर देबेनी ए फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ रे कोन लिखि पढले आउथरे द पिटिशनर दिस रिटर्न challenges जा लिखि देले नो को लेटर को कोन को किछि लिखिबेनी काउ के चैलेंज करछथि हां ए आरडा ए तुमको कहि तम पिटिशन एटा
ना ना डिसएग्रीमेंट मोर नहीं आगे
नहीं नहीं आर पिटिशन भी किसी लिखिने आपण
70,379
आरडा कहीं
sorry,
कोडी नहीं पढ़ नोट शांति शांति इसलिए the petitioners seeking direction for quashing the impugned disengagement order ना order और डेट लिखा जाए नहीं किए पास कला लिखा जाए नहीं impugned लिखि देला सरी गला काम एंती करन impugned disengagement order dated देखला केबे
4/2/23,
हां
4/2/23
लेखो लेंगे तो भलो लेखो
that is annex 12,
4/2023 passed by the CDPO
वासुदेवपुर
वासुदेवपुर किछि लिखियो एंती सब लिखो हला he further submits that he was engaged by following a proper selection procedure by convening the village Gram Sabha.
Yes.
Gram Sabha,
Mahila Sabha.
Mahila Sabha meeting, and she was selected. However, she has been disengaged due to some fault committed by the CDPO, wherein the advertisement number was not written in the appointment letter,
Resolution.
Resolution copy.
in the resolution copy. The advertisement number and date was not given in the resolution copy. Hence, the petitioner cannot be found fault for the fault committed by the CDPO. The opposite party number kete? Opposite party number
In my case, 3, my lord.
3. In near this case,
In
this
this-
case.
In
Yes,
this case,
fine.
4. In
କହିବେ ନା ଏଇ କେସ୍ ମୁଁ ଅଲଗା କେସ୍ ମୁଁ କାହିଁ ଦେବି ଜାଣିବି ମୁଁ
Because
ଏଇ
ନାହିଁ।
କେସ୍ ଟା କହିବେ ନା ଆପଣ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭେନସନ କୋଉଥିରେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ମତେ କଲେନି ତ।
ନା ମୁଁ କରିବିନି ତ
4,
କଣ
4.
ଦରକାର କରିବା ଦରକାର କି
Four
Four.
କେତେଟା ଫାଇଲ କରିବି
for CDPO.
କପି ନମ୍ବର 4
For CDPO.
ନାଇଁ
କେତେ ନମ୍ବର ଗୋଟେ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି
4 ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଉ ସେ ସିଡି କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଆରେ ଆପଣ କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ତ ମୁଠୁ ନାହାନ୍ତି
ଉପରକୁ ଯା
ନଟ୍ ଅପୋଜିଟ୍ ପାର୍ଟି
ଆପଣ ପାର୍ଟି ହିଁ କରିନି
ମତେ ସେ ତ କରିବେନି
ପାର୍ଟି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କେମିତି କରିବେନି
ସେ
ତାଙ୍କୁ?
ତ କରିବେନି ଆଜ୍ଞା। ମୁଁ କିନ୍ତୁ କରିଥିଲି
ପାର୍ଟି କେମିତି କଲେନି ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାର୍ଟି କରିବେନି
ସେ ତ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ହେଇନଥିଲେ
ଆପଣ ଆଇଲେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଏବେ ସିଲେକ୍ଟେଡ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ କିଏ ହେବେ
ମୁଁ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ
ଆରେ ଭାଇ ଏବେ ଦିଆ କାହାକୁ ହେଲା
ଦିଆ ହେଇନି
ହେଇନି
କାହାକୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କାହାକୁ
ହେଇନି।
ଦିଆ ହେଇନି ମୁଁ ମତେ କେବଳ
Fresh selection ପାଇଁ order ହେଇଛି।
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ
Fresh
ଫ୍ରେଶ
ଟିକେ
ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତ ଦିଆ ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଥର ଗିଭେନ
ଫ୍ରେଶ ସିଲେକ୍ସନ ଫ୍ରେଶ ମହିଳା ସଭା।
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଲାଗିଲା
Fresh selection.
and accordingly a fresh selection has been ordered by the appellate authority. Lord Counsel for the
He was the appellant. He was for the appellant, so he should be.
who you are appellate
Yes.
for the
Subcalled by
app-
he was the appellant.
for the intervention appellate
Yes.
intervention allowed the intervention.
Oh, yeah, got the party.
Intervener submits that she was when the cut-up that was sorry when the advertisement was published and sorry when she applied for the post on the cut-up date she had already crossed
Petitioner.
the petitioner had
Yes.
crossed the age of 42. Crossed the upper age,
Yes,
crossed the upper age. But you are saying she has not coupled. not
Document
crossed.
ସେ document ଦିଟା ସେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଆଧାର
Okay,
କାର୍ଡ ଗୋଟେ
okay, anyway.
Aadhaar is
So-
the neighbor, the proof of
Okay,
age, my lord.
okay. So her selection cannot be said to be cannot be said to be correct as per law. Considering the rival submission of the parties, this court is of the view that the order passed by the sub-collector dated
10/1/2023
10/2023 annexure कोड क्या है
Annexure 11 page 32.
the order passed by the collector is the sub-collector to take steps for fresh selection of the AWH following the principles and guidelines prescribed by the government of Odisha cannot be found fault. The relevant portion of the order page is extracted here and below page 11 next the annexure 11 in the instant case to in the instant case instant case. That's the Mahila Sabha. Hence this court doesn't find any infirmity in the order and accordingly dismissed. How we can fix the rule? the candidate on the last date of application during the last advertisement, if the petitioner had not crossed the upper age limit on the last date of submission of a form during the earlier advertisement, that is advertisement number, advertisement number
537
537 of
18th October 2021.
537 dated 18th October
2021.
2021. Hala. The petitioner may be allowed to participate in the third selection process upon verification of a valid data proof document.
Yes.
According to this question. Next.
Oblige, ma'am.
Item number 6.
Next. Six.
And my name, may be-
First item,
my name,
SN Mishra 4.
yes.
4. Yes.
in first item, you receive directed to obtain instruction. Here Tahsildar Kesingpur is the necessary party instead of Bisham Kotak. Today I talked with Tahsildar Bisham Kotak. He said that this is not within his jurisdiction. And he has already written
What is this case about?
down.
For drowning,
Drowning.
madam.
କେମିତି drowning କଲେ? Accidental drowning. ଆପଣ ପରେ କାଲି ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଥିଲେ
ନାଇଁ, ସେଟା ଅଲଗା, ସେଟା snake bite.
ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ସ୍ପେଶାଲିଷ୍ଟ ନା ସ୍ନେକ୍ ବାଇଟିଂ ସ୍ପେଶାଲିଷ୍ଟ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମର କେତେବେଳେ କଣ ହଉଛି କି କପି ପେଷ୍ଟ ମାରିଲା ବେଳକୁ କେତେବେଳେ ସ୍ନେକ୍ ବାଇଟିଂ ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ
ଆଜି କରିବି, ହଁ।
କରିଦେଲେ ନା କରିବେ
ମାଲର୍ସ, ଆଜି
ଆରେ
କରିବି,
କରିବେ ନହେଲେ ବୁଲେଇବ ସବୁ
ନାଇଁ,
ସବୁ
ଆଜି-
ଜାଗାରେ ବୁଲେଇବ ତାର
ଆଜି କରିଦେବି।
This matter may come 2 weeks after, and he may implicate Tahsildar Kesingpur as a party. I have already talked with Kesingpur Tahsildar also.
ବିଶାମ କଟକ ନୁହେଁ
ନାଇଁ।
ଓକେ
Kesingpur-
ପିଟିସନର ଟୁ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ୍ ତହସିଲଦାର କେ
Kesingpur, Kalyan Singhpur.
କଲ୍ୟାଣ ସିଂହପୁର ପୁରା କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଅଧା ଅଧା କାହିଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେ Kesingpur କଣ?
କେ ସିଂହପୁର ଏମିତି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଏମିତି ନାଁ ଦେବ
କଣ ସମସ୍ତେ
Kesingpur.
Kesingpur.
କେସିଙ୍ଗା ନା ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ନଟ୍ କେସିଂପୁର କଲ୍ୟାଣ ସିଂହପୁର ତହସିଲଦାର କଲ୍ୟାଣ ସିଂହପୁର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
ରାୟଗଡା।
ରାୟଗଡ଼ା implement party ହେଲା file an implement application
ମାଲର୍ସ,
Huh?
already filed.
so I am granting you 1 week time file an implement application implementing this wrong ତହସିଲଦାର କୁ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏଟା ତାହେଲେ ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ କମ ସେ କମ କୋଉ ତହସିଲଦାର ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତନି କି ଆପଣ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ ତହସିଲଦାର ଦେଲା କୋଉ କାଟିଲା କଥା ହୁଅନ୍ତନି
କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏତେ ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ
ନା ନାଇଁ କହିଲେ କେମିତି କି ହବ ପଚାରିବେ ନା ଆଉ ନାଇଁ ପଚାରିକିରି କେମିତି କରିବେ
ନାଇଁ, ସେ ପଚାରି କହେ ସେ ଗଲେ ଭଲ ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ
ନାଇଁ, ନାଇଁ,
ଭୁଲ
total-
ଇନଫର୍ମେସନ ଆପଣ ପଚାରିବେ ନା
total police paper
ଆପଣ ତ ଆପଣ ଡିଫେକ୍ଟିଭ ଟା କାଇଁ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତି ଟିକେ ଚେକ୍ କରିକି ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ସବୁଥିରେ ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ଥାଏ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସାପ କଟା ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ଲେଖି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ତହସିଲଦାର ବିଷମକଟ ଜାଗାରେ ଆଉ କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ବିଷମକଟ ଲେଖି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ କେମିତି ହବ ଏଇଟା କଣ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ଏଇଟା ଟିକେ they need some time.
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ତହସିଲଦାର କୋଲନାରା।
this is correct ଏଇଟା ଭୁଲ ନାହିଁ Arkansas state 6 for
Oui.
some more time in obtaining instruction next 14739
ଏଟା କେବେ ଆସିବ?
ହଁ
ଏଟା କେବେ ଡେଟ୍ ରହିଲା?
ସେଇ ସେମ୍ ଡେଟ୍ ଆସୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଏଇଟା
Next are Tahsildar Samalpur. I talked with him. Here they are awaiting Visara report.
okay land council for the state summits that Tahsildar Sambalpur,
Requested the IIC.
requested IIC sorry the state is waiting for the Visara report
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କେବେଠୁ ମାଗିଲାଣି Visara report ପାଇଁ
ମୁଁ ଫୋନ କରିଥିଲି କାଲି ଭିସା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଆମେ ପାଇନୁ।
କେବେ କାର ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ
ଜୁନରେ ସେ ମାଗି ଜୁନର ଇନସିଡେଣ୍ଟ
ଏଇ ଡେଥ୍ କେବେ ହେଇଛି
ଜୁନରେ ଜୁନ 2017 ଏବେ ଜୁନ 2023 ସେ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି
ଏବେ ନାଇଁ ଡେଥ୍ କେବେ ହେଲା
2017।
17th ଡେଥ୍ ର Visara report
ଆସ-
ଜୁନ୍ ରେ ମଗାଇଛି
ଏମାନେ ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ତହସିଲଦାର ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Visara report ତାର ଏଯାଏ ବାହାରିନି
ନାଇଁ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ ଇଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ ଏଇ ନା
କିଏ apply କରିଛି
एमान केस फाइल कला परे तहसीलदार मागिसने रिसेंटली टू द आईआईसी थाना जो थियो से दे देले से प्रोसीड कर दिबे
It is Thana.
अगेन
Okay, land council, petitioner state 6, 1 week time to obtain the visa report. List the matter head,
14 September.
14.
14 September.
Oh, the 14 that is, 14 day. Okay, next,
Item 7.
7.
My please, your lords. On 7th August, your lordship, please to direct take instruction to the bank. This is Mr. Sahu, and we have already served the copy, my lord.
Well, it's cause list I'm not asking the same instruction the nahi. Ajde I'm not order last order भी I'm not indicate hin.
আপনার নাটা লিখে দিয়ে আপনার নাম মোহরে লেখাইছি আপনার পেপারটা দেবেনি আপনি যদি অ্যাপিয়ার করেছেন why not giving paper
From today I will give my lords.
everybody should give a paper ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ନାମ ମୋହରେ ଲେଖା ଏମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଚିହ୍ନିଛନ୍ତି
No man.
ନାଇଁ ଦେନ୍
No asked today.
କାଗଜଟା ଦେଇ ଦେଲେ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି
ନିଶ୍ଚିନ୍ତ।
ଏତିକି ଆଇଟମ ନମ୍ବର ଏତିକି ଆମକୁ ଅପିୟର କରିଛି ଫର ପିଟିସନର ଲେଖି ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଗଲା ଛୋଟ କାଗଜଟେ
ନିହାତି man.
ହଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଭୁଲି ଯାଉଛି ଆପଣ ଛୋଟ ଚିଟ୍ କରିଦେବେ ଆଇଟମ ନମ୍ବର ସୋ ଏଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ଫର ପିଟିସନର ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ସୋ ଏଣ୍ଡ ସୋ ଲେଖିଦେବେ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇଦେବେ ଭୁଲ ହବନି ହେଲା ନଦେଲେ ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଏଥିପାଇଁ
No man.
so let him
My lord,
Short data my lord.
my lord, in the meantime, my learned friend Mr. Sahu submitted that the syndicate, due to merger policy, syndicate bank merger with the Canada Bank, for which I filed an amendment application, copy served.
that allowed
Your
that is
lordship.
allowed.
Okay.
The amendment application allowed. You take instruction, huh?
Hmm.
And his name, what is your name?
Sandeep Kumar Mishra on behalf of Sri Tuna sir.
Mr. Tuna Sahu. And the name may be reflected in the call list. Huh?
Next week, my lord, because 2019 no paisa next week. I'm only paying
Next
short.
week.
Short date may please.
Next week the short date one. Next week ଆଉ କେତେ short ହବ?
Your lords.
କଣ ସବୁ short ହେଲା ମୁଁ ତ
Date.
ସବୁଠୁ short date ମୁଁ ଦିଏ ଯାଇକି ସବୁଆଡେ ଦେବ ବୁଲ ଆଉ ଆମ ଓଡିଶା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟରେ ସବୁ short date ଦିଆ
I have seen.
ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ minimum 3 ମାସ ଦିଅନ୍ତି
Oh.
you must have heard it
Aye.
କୌଣସି ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ଖୋଲ ଅର୍ଡର ମାନେ 10ଟା
Yes.
କେତେ ଦିନ ଦିଅନ୍ତି
Today and I had paid some amount, balance was left. Now my friend has filed a counter. He has served a copy on me today. May I pray your lordship to take it on 4th?
ठीक है fourth us
But the
let him go
bank's name may be deleted, Miller. They have already taken over in 2008.
Banks actually was the.
Nothing to do
I
with
was a loanee of the bank. Now they have sold the asset to him.
Long back.
So it may not be necessary.
they in-
बैंक हाँ लर्न कॉन्सेप्ट ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଇଧର ଇଏ ଫିସ୍ ଫିସ୍ ମିଳିବନି ଫିସ୍ ମିଳିବ ବୋଲେ କାଇଁ କାଟ କଟେ
appearance.
ମିଳିବ ଯଦି ରହୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଫିସ୍ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଥାଉ ନାଟା
Again.
କାଇଁ କଟେଇବେନି since the bank is not a necessary party in this matter.
In view of the affidavit filed by OP number 2, your lordship.
In view of the-
number 2 and 3.
in view of the affidavit filed by the Vinod 2 and 3. Okay, ठीक है, next.
Obliged.
Item number 9.
May I permit on behalf of Mr. Ponda.
What is that matter?
My lord, last occasion your lordship was pleased to direct to take
in
instruction.
this case I need some time today I talk with CDMO
Still, may I pray your lordship and direct to dispose the fresh representation. My lord, petitioner was working as a Asha Karmi, but since date of joining till date, she is not getting remuneration from the.
You are going the representation?
I have already submitted a representation.
Okay, learn concept of the petitioner submit that. The petitioner is serving as Asha Karmi at Padagumna Center. Padagumma Center,
My lord.
district,
Sorry, my lord.
district, co-district,
District Parlakemur, Gajpati,
District Gajapati.
Gajpati.
district Gajapati. And she has completed her training at the Khajuripada Medical Incharge, under the Khajuripada Medical Incharge. And she's not, and she's not getting any salary.
Remunerations, there is no,
Remuneration, since when?
since date of joining,
କେତେ ଦିନ ହେଲାଣି?
since 2015.
You're not, ଆପଣ କିଛି ପାଇନି କେମିତି?
On working, some person, some money is getting from the medical authorities as allowance. But
ଏମିତି କେମିତି ହଉ?
against,
medical को head ରୁ पैसा देते
but say on treatment of a patients, some money she is getting. That is the system.
ସେମିତିଆ system ନାହିଁ ତ କୋଉଠି ସେମିତି system ନଥାଏ remuneration କୁହନ୍ତୁ salary କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦିଆହବ on treating
But
the
she is
patient,
not
ଆପଣ
getting,
private
but she is not getting remuneration from the authority.
you can't say that କିଛି ନାହିଁ she is not getting the salary in time and she is being
incentive type of ଥାଏ ସେଟା patient କୁ ଗାଁରୁ ନେଇକି ଆସିବ କିଛି କିଛି ପଇସା ପାଏ।
time hence she is running from pillar to post for the incentive sorry the remuneration. He has given a representation on dated 7/4/2022. Dated 7/4/2022. But the same representation is still pending before the collector Gajapati. In view of the above, the collector of Gajapati is directed to dispose of the representation of the present petitioner. Within a period of 1 month from today.
Obliged, my lord.
Dispose of. Next.
Item number 10.
10.
Lordship, matter was listed yesterday. And by virtue of Lordship's directions, another writ application which was pending before this honorable court.
Sorry?
Another writ application which was pending before this honorable court also tagged with this writ petition.
What is that writ application for?
A writ application for challenging the notice issued by the opposite party number 6.
And this is for?
This is for also for the same post. That is the Asa
What is
Karmi.
the cause of action? Different cause of action?
Another notice was issued while the matter is subject before this honorable court, challenging the another notice issued.
Okay, let it come. Give the number.
Lordship?
I see list I
Give the number.
I
Asti.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, argue.
He said that by the time I locked in instruction in both the cases.
Okay, Lord Constable, the state to obtain the instruction in both the cases by 11th September.
Aye.
On 11th.
Your Lordship, IA, it's I have filed an IA. Already, I have for stay of the third notice. While subsisting the second notice, they have issued the third notice for appointment of the Asa Karmi. For that,
Code
Asa, Jagatsinghpur,
you center the code.
again Mirzapur village, under Kanimul Subcenter, Monijanga, Tirtol block.
এটা কি আশা কর্মী অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট কি দিয়ে
Again,
আশা কর্মী অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট কি দিয়ে শ্রীমু
Asa Karmi appointment, again, it a notice ta Maharchi, notice ta that third notice issued by the superintendent of CHC and another
Hospital level.
earlier notice usually issued by the OP number 6.
let the matter come let's see how baat notice वाले कौन है ये
Again,
notice বার করছি কত আর next day hearing এ দেখলেন
খালি সেটা state at how otherwise if they will give appointment then my writ application.
এতে দিনের appointment সরকার এতে smart কেউ হলো
That's why last
They are not
yesterday I approached this honorable court, the Lordship fixed the date today.
appointment করিকি সব দিয়ে দেবে
Not to give effect, what a single line thile, what a adjudication.
কিছু নাই let him take instruction I am giving short date
No, till your
5
Lordship,
তারিখ আসছে 5th cost
till that.
কিছু নাই ঠিক আছে তাহলে দেখি
Now already stay is there with regard to second notice.
পাস করে দিবি আইলে হলা
Lordship, obliged, Lordship. Very kind of you, Lordship.
11.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଶିରଇ ନାହିଁ ଶିର ପୀଡ଼ା କୋଉଠୁ ଆସିଛି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି
No, but my only submission,
nothing
no, but
let it come
no, let it come. But my submission is that with regard to second notice, your Lordship has already.
କିଛି ମାନେ ଏତେ ଦିନ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏବେ କଣ କହିଯିବ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଥାର୍ଡ କରି ଫୋର୍ଥ କରନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଆପଣ
The second notice is stay
we
achi.
can cancel sir don't worry ସେମିତି ହେଲା cancel କରିବନି then
Lordship, obliged, Lordship.
necessary second third କଣ ସେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତମ ଅଫିସର ମାନେ why ଗୋଟେ notice second third କଣ ପାଇଁ ଚାଲିଛି
Without cancelling the earlier notice, they have issued another
କିଏ
notice.
କିଏ ଅଛି CSC ସେ CSC
Superintendent of CHC has issued the third notice.
Medical officer.
Medical officer.
take instruction from him only ହେଲା
Aye.
look the CHC to reply why as to why he has issued the third notice when the second notice was
Second notice in the year 2018, your Lordship, 27, 28 7, 28 7, 18.
ହେଲା ପରେ ଫେର ବାହାର କରିଛି
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ବାହାର କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ that notice was stayed by this honorable court.
ତାପରେ ଫେର ବାହାର କରିଛି
Exactly, lordship.
କଣ
The first notice was issued. I have applied for for fulfilling that post. Without cancelling the first notice, they have issued the second notice. Second notice challenge.
First time I see कौन है?
Take instruction regarding the cancellation of subsequent notices like that. Despite there was a stay by this court. Let him take instruction. Next.
Oblige, your lordship.
Item 11.
5 रखा fifth रे
मैं kindly pardon my lord. Mandal item number 3 ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ notice
Received on the last occasion dated 10/8/2023, directed the state authority, state council to take instruction. I filed an application to recall your lordship's order dated
You have taken instruction.
that 10/8/2023 order, lordship can see my lord.
कौन था केस का?
It originally a case was final form was filed. I filed objection and made a prayer before the JMFC for a fair investigation because IIC was against me. I filed a writ application prior to that. Human Rights Commission also I filed against the IIC. Therefore, that there was no free and fair investigation. Then I approached for an investigation by crime branch. That not thing that the JMFC rejected the same, saying therein that he has no jurisdiction, he cannot give a direction more than other than the concerned police station in terms of the Supreme Court judgment. Therefore, I filed a subsequent writ application, and wherein I have said that it should be minimum investigated the crime branch. Only limited question. There was a CCTV camera. I want that should be examined. Therefore, the last occasion after hearing you lordship directed to take instruction.
To take instruction, who is the crime branch can take up the issue.
Any officer.
So what?
If the order is something, your may recall the order and place this matter before
What is the order?
assignments.
Let's see, last
because
occasion
my
the
lord-
state government said para 4, that is the order dated 12/5/2023. Lord and Council for the state submits that though the case is pending before the Lord and JMFC Kunjang, the petitioner should have approached the state court
No, this is
for redressal of his grievances, which has been
Yeah,
already
no.
disposed of by the JMFC and JMFC.
My lord, here, what my submission was that as because the JMC has passed some order rejecting the protest petition, it is open for the petitioner to approach the higher forum. That was my submission.
My contention is different. Very simple.
The JMFC is right. Actually, she can't. Order
Yes,
for
I bow down in
crime
mission of the
branch.
JMFC.
Crime branch.
How can I challenge?
Here, rejection of protest petition is this.
Yes, but he has no jurisdiction. It's the only High
No,
Court
no,
has
no.
jurisdiction.
Here, as because his protest petition was rejected, he should approach the higher forum challenging this order.
Higher from has also no power.
No, protest
look
petition, rejection of protest petition. I am on that.
No, no,
fine.
no. The court-
Protest petition.
Yes.
The what was your protest petition?
protest with logically down to the order. Page 20. He says I have no jurisdiction. That Larsi can on page 20. I'm sorry, madam. This is I'm sorry, 24. Order is at page 24.
22.
As the case record is put up today, the complaint namely such and such is about such and such with application filed for the Hon'Ble High Court of Orissa cut up for final order and conducted. The complaint petitioner has made a prayer to that the direct to crime branch inquiry examine the CCTV footage at the relevant time and date and also to investigate the matter. The Honorable Apex Court in the case of such and such has held that the magistrate while exercising power of section 53 CRPC cannot direct CBI to investigate in cognizable offence. Further, it was held that as the present discussion is restricted. This discussion is restricted to the question whether a magistrate can direct the CBI
Same
to
thing
conduct
you say
investigation.
again, this will be irritated because he doesn't.
Right.
Madam, I'm suggesting one thing. I'm
That
suggesting,
High Court, the trial court.
Madam, I'm suggesting one thing. Your may recall your ship's order. Let the matter be placed before the assignment.
It is 226.
That can be done.
That can be done.
Look at it. The Land Council of the petition submits that the order passed by this court on 12/5/2023. Read it, paragraph 4. Directing the petitioner to approach the learned JMFC, P. Kujang for redressal of his grievance. But the JMFC, P. Kujang has rejected the prayer of the petitioner, stating that the said court doesn't have the power to pass order for investigation by the crime branch. So, since the order passed by this hence the order passed by this court on 12/5/2023 is recalled and will let the matter be placed before the appropriate bench for fresh adjudication. Okay. Okay.
This is item 21. Your Lordship, the only thing is I don't have the LCR. In fact, my client also does not have. If your Lordship will call for the
21.
LCR with the arbitration records that can also come, we'll take a soft copy. If your Lordships would. LCR along with the arbitration. No,
LCR necessary.
Your Lordship is necessary for me because I was not the conducting counsel in the arbitration proceeding. It will be necessary for me. And in fact, my senior also wasn't the conducting counsel. So what would we guide your Lordships with then? If a special noting that even the arbitration records would also come along with the LCR. Normally they also call from there.
Come along with that.
Say that okay, if it's written specifically, it will be.
LCR be called from the good enough.
It is Jaipur. Jaipur.
Jaipur.
Objection.
Jaipur.
Court of District Judge, Koraput, Jaipur. So we have arbitration award is there here and attached. Arbitration judgment is there. So you don't have the appeal copy, sorry, the 34 copy.
We want the arbitration, the records before the arbitrator. That is what you say. Suppose I have to make up a ground of.
Arbitrator.
Oh yes, suppose I have to make out a ground of patent illegality.
Okay.
Then I would probably require that.
Listen, matter of 25th September.
Because here the award actually has been set aside. So that's the reason.
Okay, 25th September.
My lord, item 20.
Item 20.
We have filed a 340, we were late. I have been served a copy of the response also now. My lord, may call it day after. I'll do it at 2 o'clock tomorrow, day after.
What, is there anything left?
No,
Nothing is left, my lord. If you want to see, my
no,
original
we have
certificates
filed a
are here.
340.
No, that's
We have filed.
completely, it's obfuscating, my lord.
Doesn't
I
matter.
consider
He has
Sir,
given a
where is
response.
putting the
He has
graduation
given a
mark? I have
response.
The original sticker I can show, man.
He is not even, my lord, he didn't even apply with the
That's-
graduation certificate.
That's not there.
The graduation,
You want adjournment for what?
my lord,
You seek adjournment for what reason?
no, my lord, we have filed a 340. They have given a response now. That's the
340 is
reason.
Fallacious, my lord, what 340? We have whatever.
No, it may be
document we have filed
fallacious, my lord,
340, they are
but
supposed
I
to be
still have
original.
I'll still have to look
Right,
at it, my
delete
lord.
the back.
And I don't want to, any,
But why is it, is a small issue, it can be hard.
Both
day after,
originals are
no,
there.
I'm wanting day after tomorrow. I don't want anything further.
Originals.
He has got the certificate. let
Yeah,
me
we
see
have
the
also got a
certificate.
certificate, my lord, in
Let
RTI.
me tell what he is trying to.
See me got.
Yes, end of the matter.
No, my lord,
That's
No, end of
there
the
are
matter.
many more things, my lord. There are many more things also.
Nothing.
Many more
It's a
things.
small issue.
Yes, my lord, small issue, true.
There is nothing.
It's a very big issue, my lord. My lord, what they are trying to set aside is an order of the Tahsildar, my lord, at page, the authorities, my lord, at page 51, 54, 50, 51 to 53.
Okay, tomorrow. Tomorrow 2 p.m.
Tomorrow too.
Tomorrow no further adjournment will be granted.
Yes.
No, no, no.
Kindly indicate.
As a last chance. Let the matter be adjourned tomorrow. There shall not be any kind of adjournment.
And my lord may take it up in the first hour, my lord, because I have a 2 o'clock matter fixed before my lord Justice Mishra. Yes.
If I don't fix the time, I don't know when it will come, reach.
No.
That's why.
No, my, 3 o'clock, my lord, I probably will finish that matter also.
Then let it come at 3 o'clock.
Yes, with that matter has been fixed at 2 o'clock.
3
Yes,
o'clock.
yes.
Next.
Item 38.
38. 38.
My lord. Taken notice regarding that redemption of my property.
You have for the,
Option 40.
and who's for the bank?
Mr. Biswal has been given.
Unless the bank is there, how can I?
Yes, so
Who is for the bank?
Anjan Biswal,
Can you just,
I'll just call him,
just, I'm,
passing it over.
passing it over.
Yes, they're there.
Is there? But call your senior, she can't.
Filing the counter today.
They are filing the counter today. Let him, day after tomorrow. Let him come because unless he is, she's not, she may not be able to assist.
Yeah, Lordship may keep it day after tomorrow
Yeah.
at 2 p.m. my lord, so that
2 p.m.
and
Everything to be-
status quo to be maintained.
ଥିଲା status quo ଥିଲା ତ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା
ନା ଦେଇ ନଥିଲେ ସେ କାହିଁକି ନା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲେ ସେ instruction ହେବ ବୋଲି status quo ଟା ଥାଉ.
day after tomorrow ଅଛି କିଛି okay this is the matter of 2 p.m. on Thursday 24th
No, my lord, it's 31st.
oh sorry ଆଜି ହେଲା କେତେ 22 ପରା day after tomorrow
31st. 31st.
I'm so sorry 31st
31st.
May I pray, let it be tomorrow, 31st, I am informed with the
Your Lordship, Mr. Biswal will not be there tomorrow. So your Lordship, 31st.
bank counsel is not there what can I do
Because it is my predicament, I have paid all the amount.
No,
I will
that's-
show
I
only
understand
Single document. I will show only single document.
Then I understand that but
Your Lordship,
I am
then
ready
just
with the
pass it
draft.
over, Mr. Biswal will.
Whatever the draft we have given, it is written.
but you have given something now they have to go through that also you are writing your
Yes, counter.
reply right now they have to go through what you have written
Because they have made a draft in my name, not the name of the.
tomorrow you
bank.
are not there
Madam,
tomorrow you are not there
tomorrow I will.
tomorrow you are there tomorrow कर देता हूँ खाली कर दे खाली 3 टा कर दे से यार मत कहाँ ला 3 टा एक्स्ट्रा सा लेटर करी
आगे
अच्छा ठीक 2:30 कर दे 2 o'clock कल
2 p.m. କିଛି ନାହିଁ ବୋଧେ.
अच्छा 2 p.m. कर दे let it come at 2 p.m.
Status quo, my lord.
Lordship, କାଲି
କାଲି କିଛି ହେବନି ଦିନକର କିଛି ହେବନି the bank is not good
I'm ready with the draft.
yeah ଠିକ ଅଛି next
Passed over matter, item number 2.
2 pass ହୋଇଥିଲା
My lord, this petitioner is seeking a direction from the Hon'Ble Court regarding this insurance amount has to be paid by the opposite party number 2 and 3. So this is opposite party number 1.
What is the insurance amount?
My lord, the petitioner husband insured the amount of 12 rupees in Prime Minister, Pradhan Mantri.
12 टंका गला पर आप 2 लाख पाइले
12 टंका रे 2 लाख टंका इंश्योरेंस अमाउंट अछि।
हां शायद बोली 12 टंका देले 2 लाख
2 लाख
बढ़िया तो
पाइले सर पाद गुनंती
ओनांती केन देबे
अच्छे तांकर हस्बैंड डेथ हे गला डेथ हला पर से क्लेम कला पर से बैंक थ्रू रे यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया जो अपोजिट पार्टी नंबर 1 अछि से कम्युनिकेट कले अपोजिट पार्टी नंबर 2 यूनाइटेड इंश्योरेंस कंपनी
कावले कोन
से क्लेम अमाउंट पेमेंट करिया पई
देन
से किछि रिप्लाई देलेनी से बारंबार
इंश्योरेंस कंपनी देबे से तांकर खाइबा जानि से देसन देबे सर 90% रो लोकन सुतो प्रीमियम नउछंती हार्डली 10% लोक क्लेम करछन 90% ताला तथापि सने कंजूसी करी लोग का देवा पई एंड समटाइम्स आवर courts are also very miser in giving good amount to the people who are really needy. Really दरकार थियो से दे आते नहीं बहुत सारे ऐसे कुछ anyway एक केस रे I mean you have done the policy was alive at the time. So,
yes my lord.
So this you notice the notice is here. Why you made a secretary department in finance service? Why you made secretary?
My lord, it's the prime minister. This is
The prime minister will secretary department of financial service.
तांकर बीमा
PM को कॉले नहीं prime minister और PM को कर जाएगा था ना.
My lord, it's the
अभी
बीमा
प्रधानमंत्री बीमा योजना तो PM हवा prime minister finance secretary कहीं आती है.
तांकर finance department रो इटा
PM रो secretary को करता है. Secretary to the PM. केते वर्ष practice कले जाने भी कहाँ को पार्टी कराई.
My lord, finance department रो
don't give all kind of this explanation. This is not good. Why is it? You are claiming against an insurance company, a particular branch.
My lord.
Then some people will say IRD, some people will say finance secretary, Pradhan Mantri baki rahila, Pradhan Mantri ko diya. Pradhan Mantri asking 1 and 2 and 3. Number 4 is not required to be made party since the Department of Finance, Department of Financial Service is not a necessary party in the present case. Sub copy through registered post. This the matter. This the matter on 26th September.
No placement.
Yeah. Next.
Item number 12.
12.
Item 12. The petition is in custody since 15/6/2021. Here, alleged offences are 302 and 34 IPC. 15/6/2021, and date of occurrence is 13/6/2021. Allegation.
So what do you say? I mean, what is your role there?
No, in fact, you'll also see at page 8, omnibus allegation. I am reading the on 12/6/2021 at about 5 AM, a meeting was convened near the house of Joshua Gomango, where her co-villagers, namely Benjamin Gomango, Sanjay Gomango, and others persons branded her father as practicing black magic. Thereafter, one Deba Mistri called her brother Anushka and accompanied to the meeting at about 11 PM. The accused person.
Appearing for, what is the name of the person?
Sanjay Gomango.
His name was there.
As a result, her father died at the spot and paddy field, and her brother managed to escape and came to the house.
Who killed?
Omnibus.
Who killed, mister?
No direct eyewitness, my lord.
So all are in custody?
Yes, all are in custody.
नानी custody आपण दु जणकर लास्ट वीक रे रिजेक्ट करिसुनी. दु जणकर रिजेक्ट हिची. जे पण तार माने बापा को मारिले तापर पुओर गळा काटिछोनी. Black magic.
Black magic.
But what is his role, this man?
His name was there, my lord. I'm reading the 164 statement, my lord. Ludia Gomango is the daughter of the that deceased and also sister of that another deceased man. Sandhya atre bappa को गां लोक माने.
What happened? Your matter is listed tomorrow.
No, madam, I will be absent because I am going to leave my daughter at Lucknow. He has some personal difficulties.
Tomorrow. So what-
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will not be there. Monday, I will return back on Friday.
Status quo there is a Monday. Right. Status quo on the Monday. Again, status quo on the Monday.
In presence of ତାକୁ ଡାକିଦବ ତା presence ରେ ହଉନ ସେ ତ କହିବ ମତେ ବୁଝିକି ନେଲେ ନା
ତାଙ୍କର ପୁଣି କଣ he might say he might read objection କି ମୁଁ ଡାକିଦେ ସମସ୍ତେ
ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଡାକି ଦଉଛି
better ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ better. In all your presence it is better, otherwise
କାଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
କାଲି ନାହିଁ ପରା। Okay, next.
ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା 8ଟା ପରେ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ଗାଁ ଲୋକମାନେ ଡାକିକି ନେଲେ। 11ଟାରେ ଭାଇକୁ ଡାକିକି ନେଲେ। ସେମାନେ 2 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଡାକିକି ମାରିଲେ। 3ଟା ହେଲା ପରେ ଭାଇ ତାର ଜୀବନ ରକ୍ଷା କରିବାକୁ
କୋଉ ମାନେ
ଅଛି ନା ଗୁଡାକ ପଛରେ ମେନସନ
ଏ ମାନେ କେହି ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ବେଲ ତ ୟାଙ୍କୁ ବି ଦେବାନି ବେଲ ଚଲ।
May I pray for one thing, my lord?
Yes.
May I pray for one thing? Out of 23 charge sheeted witnesses, 18 have been examined.
Sir,
One-
this
one-
is
only
not
five-
done. These people should be there
No,
inside.
I understand, my lord. Out of
just on the black magic ଲୋକ ନେଇକି ଗାଁ ମଝିରେ ଲୋକ କାହାକୁ ବେଲ ମିଳିବା କଥା ନାହିଁ। Not a single person should get bail. I'll ensure that nobody should. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ସବୁ ନା। ସବୁ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି। କେହି ପାଇବେନି।
3ଟା ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଇଏ 4th
କେହି
ଆଉ ଯଦି
ପାଇବେନି।
ଆସିବେ
Entire allegations are omnibus in nature. May I pray for one thing? May I pray for one thing? May I pray for one thing, my lord? Total 23 witnesses are there. In the meantime, 18 have been examined. Let the trial be targeted. ଆମ 3 ମାସ କରି interim bail ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. Only male member, only ଦିଟା ମୋର minor ଛୁଆ ଅଛନ୍ତି, nobody there.
କିଛି ଦେବେନି।
Only for 2 months ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ interim bail.
No.
ଆଉ expedite କରିଦो trial 3 ମାସ ଭିତରେ trial ସାରିବା ପାଇଁ.
ବେଶୀ ଦିନ ରହିନି 5-6 ବର୍ଷ ହେଲେ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି।
Lordship kindly consider.
ଦେବା କଥା ନା ଲୋକ ଗୁଡା
1 month ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ at least. I pray for at least 1 month interim bail be given, and on completion of 1 month I will surrender.
No, nothing. No mercy should be given to you.
No, so far I am concerned, omnibus allegation, no specific overtake against people.
Trial ରେ ସେଟା କହିବେ ଏଟା bail ରେ ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି. Let them suffer. They should also feel that the pain of a person being killed.
May I pray, let's keep it on Friday. ମୁଁ deposition copy ଦଉଛି ନହେଲେ
କିଛି ହବନି। ମୁଁ ଏବେ dismiss କରୁଛି ସେଟା dismiss।
ଏବେ 2 ଜଣ ଯାକ ମେଲ ମେମ୍ବରଙ୍କୁ ମାରିଛନ୍ତି ବାପା ପୁଅ।
Dismiss।
May I pray for one thing, my lord? ଆପଣ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯେ
ଗଳା କାଟିକି କେତେ can you imagine the pain?
No,
pain of a
I
person?
understand, I understand. ଆଜ୍ଞା total 23 ରୁ 18ଟା ସାକ୍ଷୀ ସଲାଣି 3 ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଟାର୍ଗେଟ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମତେ at least
Since the matter is
at least 1 month interim bail ଦିଅ।
trial, this matter, the petitioner doesn't deserve any liberty. And the trial is likely to be over within a few months.
1 month interim bail ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। only ଦିଟା minor child, no other male member are there।
No other male member କଣ କରିବ?
ଅନ୍ୟ କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଅଛି ନା minor
wife ଅଛି ଆଉ ଦିଟା minor
wife ଅଛି ନା?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Wife can take care.
At least 1 month interim bail ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। 1 month at least, I will pray for that. Within time again I will surrender.
No.
And submit the surrender certificate. Any condition, my lord, at least for one, at least for a month.
କିଛି ବିମାର ଅଛି?
My lord,
କିଛି ବିମାର ଅଛି କିଛି ନାହିଁ ସାଧା interim bail କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଲ୍ଥ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ରେ ଦିଆଯାଏ। ଏମିତି ସିଧା ତା ଛୁଆଟା ଏକା ଅଛି କାହିଁ କ୍ରାଇମ କରୁଥିଲା ସେ
not that.
କ୍ରାଇମ କାହିଁ କଲା ସେ ତା ଛୁଆକୁ ଏତେ affection ଥିଲା। Those who want to love that family, they should not commit crime.
Not that it. At least ଗୋଟେ ମାସ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
I say, only 5 people are left, sir. It will be over if he is not.
No, trial be expedited 3 ମାସ ଖଣ୍ଡେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ମୁଁ trial ଆଜିକାଲି expedite କରୁନି। Supreme Court କହୁଛି trial expedite ପାଇଁ କୌଣସି High Court order ଦେବା କଥା ନାହିଁ। It is wrong. Because you don't know their burden, you don't know
No, that is there.
Simply, next.
Item 13.
May I please, my lord? My lord, only 3 days required to file the surrender certificate, my lord.
3 days କେବେ ଆପଣ surrender
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କପି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ ହେଇଛି ଆଜି।
surrender କେବେ
ସରେଣ୍ଡର my lord ସେଟା 3-4 ମାସ ପାଇଁ ଲର୍ଡସିପ ଦେଇଥିଲେ।
କେବେ surrender କରିଥିଲା?
17/4/23 ରେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଡେଟ୍ ଥିଲା।
ଆପଣ ଏତେ ମାସ ପରେ ହଠାତ୍ ମନେ ପଡିଲା ଆପଣ surrender certificate 3 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ପାଇବେ। ବାପରେ।
ନାଇଁ my lord ଏଟା ରହିଯାଇଥିଲା ଆଉ ମୁଁ 2ଟା ମେମୋ ବି ଦେଇଥିଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ଶୁକ୍ରବାର ଦିନ I will file।
ମେମୋ ଦେବା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ surrender ର କି ସମ୍ପର୍କ?
My lord,
ଆପଣ surrender ତ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ
I have not obtained. My fault, my lord.
ଏଇ କେସ୍ ସିନା ଆସିଲା ଆପଣ ମେମୋ ଦଉଥିଲେ ଲାଗିଲାନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
But surrender ତ ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଇ ଟାଇମ୍ ରେ
My lord, today it was filed by the
Lordship 12/10/2022 your lordship granted a bail for 3 months।
4 ମାସ।
4 ମାସ 3 ମାସ
ହଁ,
ନୁହେଁ।
4
ହଁ,
ମାସ
ହେଲା
ନା?
ଠିକ ଅଛି 4 ମାସ ହେଲେ କେବେ ହେଲା ହିସାବ?
17/4
The petitioner is directed
already
to-
surrender, my lord. Already surrender. I obtain the certificate on the Friday. I will file it, my lord. To praying for
ଦୟା କରିକି
Friday.
ଆପଣ ଆରାମସେ ଇଏ କରି ଆପଣ କିଛି
ନା ନା
କରିବାକୁ
Friday ରେ
ପଡିବ।
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି। ମୁଁ Friday ରେ
କିଛି ଗୋଟେ
ଦେଇଦେବି।
କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ଏମିତି
ନା ନା Friday ରେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି, my lord.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆ ହଉଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
22 ରେ 10 ରେ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ ଆସିଲାନି କେବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 10 ପହଞ୍ଚିଲା
ନା ମୁଁ
ବର୍ଷେ ପରେ
ଆଣିପାରିନି।
ଆପଣ ଇଏ
My
କରନ୍ତୁ।
fault, my lord. ମୁଁ Friday ଦେଇଦେବି।
କଣ କରିବା କଥା
ଆଉ
suggest something should be done।
ଆପଣ ତ କରିଥିଲେ ଅର୍ଡର
କଣ order କରିବେ?
ଯୋଉ ତାଙ୍କର ସବୁ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଆଟାଚମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁକା।
already surrender. ଯଦି surrender ନ କରିଥିବ ନା ଏଠି already surrender ଖାଲି surrender certificate I have not obtained. Friday, my lord.
Let it come Friday, let him file the
Yes,
surrender
yes,
certificate.
yes.
ଆଉ surrender Friday କରିବେ?
Yes, my lord. ନା ନା surrender କରି
ସେ
ଦେଇଛି, my
କରିଦେଇଛି
lord.
surrender।
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିବେ ଯୋଉ କାଉନସିଲ କେସ୍ କରୁଥିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସିଏ ତା କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ
ନା ନା ମୋର ଇଏ surrender କରିଦେଇଛି। Only obtain the certificate.
ଟାଇମଲି ନ କଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
per day 100 ଟଙ୍କାରେ calculate କରିବେ ସେ
That is
କେତେ
not
ଟଙ୍କା? ସେ
applicable to
counsel
me.
ଦେବେ ନିଜ
That is
pocket
not
ରୁ।
applicable to
ନିଜ
me, my lord.
pocket ରୁ।
That is not.
ଆପଣ this is not done। ଆପଣ ଏପ୍ରିଲ ମାସରେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କଥା ଆପଣ ଏବେ ଅଗଷ୍ଟ ମାସରେ ଆପଣ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରୁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ତ କରିବି ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ରାତି ସାରା ଆଜି ଆପଣ ଫ୍ରାଇଡେରେ କଣ କଣ ଗୋଟେ କରିବେ ଏମିତି ଛାଡିବିନି।
ନା ନା ମୁଁ already surrender କରିଦେଇଛି।
କିଛି ନ କଲେ ହବନି।
Yes, my lord.
ନା ଏବେ ମୋ
I will
ପାଖକୁ
furnish.
ଆସୁନି।
I will furnish that
ଏତେ
certificate.
ଏତେ ଆୱାଜ କରିକି ମୋ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ ବ୍ଲାଙ୍କ ଅଛି ଏବେ ଆଇଡିଆ କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ ଆଇଡିଆ ଟିକେ
Okay.
ଆସୁନି ହେଲା କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ ଜିନିଷ ଭାବୁଛି ଦେବି। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 14.
14
Lordship, civil application. I only pray for next week to take the instruction regarding the current status of the trial. It's 3760. Your Lordship has already granted one of the co-accused bail. Only I have to take instruction next week.
ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କଣ ଅଛି ଆସିଛି
ଆପଣ ବି ମାଗି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତୁ।
ଆମର ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆପଣ
Yes. I'll take instruction as soon as possible.
ମଗେଇ ଦଉନ ଆପଣ ମଗେଇ ରେଷ୍ଟ ଟୁ କଲ୍ ଫର ଦିସ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଜଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର 11 ରେଷ୍ଟ 11 ନେକ୍ସଟ
15.
15
May I pursue? During pendency of the writ petition matter, the object but not two, what with the
এটা কোনটা
I have filed for amendment.
Change of name. That may be filed in
Amendment
this
of the
case.
first title one.
ଓ ଯେ ଇଏ ଯୋଉ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ର ନାଁଟା
Bank.
କରିଛନ୍ତି
Yes.
ବିଜନେସ କେସ୍ ହେଲା
12922.
ଆପଣ କନସଲ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ଇଏ
Copy already served.
କେବେ ଲଗେଇବା
Today I have served.
କେବେ ଲଗେଇବି
Alert.
Notice you have
notice job issue notice
notice to proposed OP number 2.
okay no
By registered post.
by registered file the requisite
My lord.
that's the matter on 15th 15th September
After 15. I will be absent.
okay 18 go this 18
Obvious.
next
Item 16.
Item 16, your lordship can have a grants to order dated 22nd of September 2022 and 7/7/2023.
what is the issue what is the contempt
Content, my lord, the earlier occasion, in the writ petition direction was given to consider my case in term of the decision reported in case of that Saroj Kanta Mahapatra and others. That direction was given to consider my case within 6 weeks.
where is that page
Page 2, paragraph 2, I have quoted that order.
sir order ଟା ଲଗାନ୍ତିନି କଣ ପାଇଁ paragraph କୋର୍ଟ ଖାଲି କରନ୍ତି ଲଗାଇଲେ ଆମେ କୋର୍ଟ ଠିକ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିବୁ
Contempt ରେ ଆସେ ତ connect ହେଇକି
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ
writ ଟା ଆସେ
ଲଗେଇବେ ଆପଣ
writ petition ଟା ଆସିଲା contempt file ହେଲା ମାନେ writ petition ତା ସାଙ୍ଗେ tag ହେଇଯାଏ
actually order ଟା ଆମର sufficient ଦରକାର ରିପିଟିସନ କପି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଲଗେଇବା କଥା ଗୋଟେ ପେଜ କି ଦୁଇ ପେଜ ଅର୍ଡର ଲଗେଇଲେ କଣ ଅଛି
then your lordship can have a grant to
That
order
becomes
in
very
the
easy.
contempt itself. In the contempt, what your lordship has passed the order. 22nd of September 2022.
ये कौन को पोस्ट ଥିଲା this man was there what is the post he was holding
My lord, initial appointed junior clerk, man.
junior clerk
Yes.
Then what happened?
My lord, the appointment was
They
done.
they terminated.
No. The appointment was done pursuant to the advertisement which was published for the regular post. But their appointment, after their appointment, they were intimated that they have been posted in the contractual post. That they have challenged before this honorable court.
So you say they were appointed from the beginning, they are appointed as permanent post?
They applied for the in respect of the advertisement for the regular post. They participated in the selection process
Oh,
for the
you say-
regular post.
Though regular, he was selected for the regular post, he was
Yes.
appointed contractual.
Posted in the contractual post.
Then
That's why pursuant to since their case was covered by the decision of this honorable court in case of Saroj Kant Mahapatra. So this honorable court in the writ petition directed to consider my case, keeping in view that
okay, take instruction.
My lord, two weeks time may be granted as a last chance. Today morning I just talked with the officer concerned, the officer who is dealing with the matter, my lord.
My lord, kindly have
She
a chance to
requested-
22nd of September 2022
hello.
and 7/7/2023.
Instruction नहीं है।
मना करूनी मु मना
You're
करूनी
also this side, you know that.
ମୁଁ
You're also
ଜାଣିଛି
asking a lot of
ଆଜ୍ଞା
time.
କଂସାରୀ ଘରର ପାରା ଆମେ ଆମକୁ ହାଣ୍ଡି ଖଡ ଖଡ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ଆମେ କଣ କରିବୁ?
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ
ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛୁ।
ଏଇ ସାଇଡ୍ ରେ ଥିଲା ଆପଣ ତ ଦବେଇକିରି ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗୁଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଦିଆ ସରି what you will file?
We will your
comply
lordship,
with the order.
हाँ, yes, my
To
lord.
comply with
We
the
will comply
order,
the order.
failing which the secretary,
Will appear in person.
Department of
SME, School and Mass Education.
School and Mass Education be present before this court through virtual mode.
My lord.
Allah.
Date that is.
That is 27th.
My lord.
27, Allah. No, 27 नहीं। ठीक है 27 तक। Next.
17. I'm not taking at the call. 17. I'm not taking at the call. Not taking the call.
काली
आसु
काली आसु।
because at the outset my submission is
अच्छा काली सबमिशन आज कर दीजिए।
आज कर दो
पढ़े हम हाँ कर देते हैं।
my
और
submission this
junior
read
को
this is a division
छाड़ देते हैं।
First
आज अब कर
this is a division matter because it is securitization in the securitization process the property has been sold and thereafter essay has been filed before the debt recovery tribunal. One aspect thereafter no illegality has been committed by the bank in putting the property into auction.
No, that illegality, that part is not there. Question is, he's saying
right of redemption.
Right of redemption, it is a division matter, my lord.
No.
Yes, my lord. Your lordship may say it because under the securitization act, it has been done. And the and under the securitization, this has the right of redemption is there.
वो अपना junior को train करके छाड़ देते हो ना?
आगे?
Junior को train करके
नहीं मैं online ले रही हूँ ना लाखों कर।
नहीं you must proceed. Don't worry, whatever she leaves out, I'll take care of that. Don't worry.
My submission that much because we
You
have
must
no
proceed.
now. Because we have already sold,
No.
we have given possession, we have.
No,
they have not.
no,
Yes,
no.
yes, yes.
No.
Yes. I have.
You've taken possession.
See one thing.
We in my counter I have stated.
I'm ready
When-
with the draft and the
When
expense.
he is ready to pay all the charges, everything, and moreover, when the your property has not been transferred yet.
No, that is only formality. As per decision of this honorable court, your FS court, your lordship knows the registration is only formality. The sell certificate will be registration.
Sam Supreme Court also says whenever there is till last moment, you can also.
Yes, right of redemption is there. Right of redemption is
All
available.
expenses. My lord, all
This
expenses.
property, this
That
is
is-
house
that-
property.
My lord,
so
I am
many
not.
memory.
I
something
am
attached
not
to
on
this
that
person.
also. It is between him and the purchaser.
Him gonna.
Purchaser ଯଦି ରାଜି ନ ହବ ଆଜ୍ଞା କେମିତି କରିବୁ? Purchaser ଯଦି କହିବ ମୋର ଏତେ ଦରକାର ଏତେ
If the
ଦରକାର
court passes on it,
ବାସ୍
then
ସେତେବେଳେ
the purchaser has
ଆଜ୍ଞା
to-
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Okay, ठीक है. You proceed, no problem. Next.
Item 17.
17 last appellant was directed the state council to produce the status report of the investigation.
What is the investigation?
The vigilance case is pending, my lord. Your lordship directed me to take instruction. What is the status? The BDO, concerned BDO who has issued the annexure.
Most of the government cases, we are very smart in capturing people, arresting people, but baki ta paro patre we are not smart. I guess Vigilance को judge मान को बाकी को
आपने-
vigilance को judge मान को बाकी डाकी के class ना बाकी पड़ी let him you get the up-to-date status report from the Nagam. Learned Council for the state submits a letter dated 28/8/2023, wherein it has been mentioned that the special public prosecutor vigilance court Balangir, it has been requested to submit the updated status report on at the earliest also, in such view of the matter. List the matter on 26th September. And there. Next.
Item 18. Item 18 on behalf of Mr. Dhananda Mahapatra may be taken up next week, my lord.
यार तुम लोग का काम
My lords, it's a year-old appeal, my lords.
हाँ मांगते रहते हैं तुम लोग
Yes,
थोड़ा
some
तो ये करो
Any day, my lord.
रैम खाओ बेचारे
Today also I am filing the written note of submission, your lordship.
तो टाइम कब है मांग सकते 2000 कहते हैं एक मिनट 2001 I'll grant definitely grant time, but I'll subject to some payment. 1000 rupees payment.
Lordship में Passover, lordship.
କିଛି ପାସ୍ ହବ ନାହିଁ ଏବେ ତ ହଉଥିଲା ଏବେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ପାସ୍ ହବ କେମିତି ଗଲା କଷ୍ଟ ପକେଇ ଗଲା ପାସ୍ ହବ କିଛି ପାସ୍ ଶୁଣ କଷ୍ଟ ପକେଇ 1000 ଟଙ୍କା ଯାଉ
Lordship में Passover, I will.
बिल्कुल पास हवा में क्या करें you are asking for time
Tomorrow, your lordship.
petition the non council for the petitioner let the matter be adjourned subject to payment sorry that council petitioner request for adjournment of the matter to which date
Tomorrow, your lordship.
tomorrow
Yes.
tomorrow होगा
The day after tomorrow था वो
day after
3 p.m.
day after tomorrow 3 p.m. ना subject to payment of rupees 1000 rupees payment of 1000 for seeking adjournment of an old matter pertaining to the year 2001
11.
sorry 11 कम है ना नहीं
12 वर्ष आ गए
है ना how 12 वर्ष रे सूट और आर्बिट्रेशन में तेरा फर्क कौन है सूट का बाप बन गया आर्बिट्रेशन सूट को हमें देते वर्ष सूट होता आर्बिट्रेशन देते वर्ष रहेगा कौन है
And I have also filed my routine note of submissions.
not done okay so 1000 rupees payment ହେଲା party तुम देबो
Cost.
cost प्रश्न आउ छाड़िबे तमर सीनियर आइले भी आउ छाड़िबे देबी cost देबा पड़े
My lord में Passover, I will.
ना पासवर आउ नहीं कहि देले पर आउ पासवर नहीं एबे तो टाइम मागिले एबे cost कलाले पासवर एंड स्टेटमेंट चेंज कला हो this year amount shall be paid to the Orissa Bar Association welfare fund something
Have last chance.
हाँ
Last chance, yeah.
हाँ दवा के तो पड़ेगा what is your name
Pranav Singh Dev, lordship.
हाँ
Pranav Singh Dev.
सिंहदेव कोड़ी करो
Puri.
19 के नाम non appears ଷୋହଳ
15
କିଏ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି
ହଁ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ରିଜନର ପାଇଁ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଥର ଟାଇମ୍ ନେଇଥିଲେ ରିଜନର ବି ଫାଇଲ୍ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
non appears for the petitioner list the matter on 4th next
22.
22 पढ़ गले
May I please, your lordship? Here the award of the permanent local adult is under challenge. Order of the permanent local adult is under.
permanent lok adalat what is the order passed
Here the petitioner is a bank. The permanent local adult has awarded that rupees 3 lakh be returned to the opposite party one.
this is the item
22.
or 2021 gone.
22 টা তো
22
tomorrow है ना 21 টা
22. So you are the, for the branch manager, Orissa Gramin
Bank.
Bank.
Here, what had happened, he had taken, the opposite party one, he had taken a house loan in 2011,
Kete taka?
10 lakh.
Okay.
And EMI was fixed of 12,000 rupees. He went on paying 12,000 EMI for 2 years. After that, there were irregular payments. For 18 months straight, he did not make any payment. Then there were irregular payments for which penal interest was charged. He filed subsequently, we informed him in 2020 that there is 1.5 lakh outstanding. You paid this amount and closed the loan. He filed a case in permanent local alert and filed a forced sanction letter where he says, no, EMI was not 12,500, EMI was 10,000.
How do you know that is a forced sanction letter?
Because the sanction letter which we have filed also here and also in the permanent local alert, that was signed by both the loanee and the guarantor.
Here it is not.
The document which
Can
he
you-
has
can
filed,
you-
he
can you
also.
show the document?
Yes, yes, Lordship, that is at page 18. Here, page 18, this is the cover letter. Page 18 also, if your Lordship may see, bottom is the signature of Niranjan Das. He was the loanee, the opposite party one. Left hand side, Vivekanand Sahu. Page 18.
Page 18, where is the Vivekanand Sahu?
Vivekanand Sahu left.
No, 18 something else is there. See, here,
Page 18 is.
it is from manager, Baitarani Gramya Bank. So
Yes, we had issued the letter.
Uh,
This is a sanction letter.
the sanction letter is fine, but you are saying that it is a forged one.
আগে না না, এইটা ঠিক আছে, এটা আমি এটা আমি ফাইল করছি
How, see jota deji?
সেটা আমি দেখে রয়েছি এইটি this I wanted to show that both the signature of loanee and guarantor are there. What the one he has filed,
Yeah.
that is at page
So
48.
your manager and the loanee signature is there.
Loanee and the guarantor signature.
What is his?
Page 48.
Here, who is the guarantor here?
Vivekanand Sahu. His name is there at page 20.
And this man is Niranjan.
Niranjan Das.
So the first one,
Page 48.
48.
48. He has filed the same document also in his counter affidavit in the High Court. Page 48.
48. Yes.
Here only signature of Niranjan Das is there. In fact, in the subsequent pages also, only his signature is there. And he has changed the EMI amount. That is that
Was
page.
there any kind of conciliation proceedings by the parties?
No, in fact, in the
As required under the local adalat,
no, here there was no conciliation proceeding, and directly we filed a written statement, and then the order has
we
been passed.
proceeded on like adjudicating authority.
Adjudicating authority and passed the award.
Issue notice.
No, here interim order is issue notice was after
Who is
notice.
the opposite party?
Mr. Patnaik had appeared. Here appeal file counter also, and I have also filed rejoinder.
I have to hear both the parties now.
Lordship,
Who is for the bank?
I am for the bank
I'm
petitioner.
sorry, I'm so sorry. Who is for the
Loanee,
opposite party?
Mr. J. Patnaik.
J. Patnaik. Okay, let him come. Otherwise, I can't hear it.
Lordship.
Non-APS for the petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner.
I'm so sorry, as a respondent. Okay, for opposite party. This is the matter on 12th September.
Lordship, the noting is that rejoinder not filed, but since February I have filed a rejoinder.
Okay, let me go to the petitioner has submitted that we already filed the rejoinder.
Interim order to continue.
Interim to continue.
Oh, bless.
The office to change the office report that is to file. Next.
Oh, bless.
23.
23.
Petitioner asserts the selection for engagement of a Gramo Rojagar Sevaka.
Gramo Rojagar Sevaka, what is the problem?
My lord,
Where is the
before my
file
learned
candidate?
friend starts, lordship kindly have a glance to page 7 of the read petition, the prayer portion, my lord. The prayer. Seeking the quashing of Annex of 5, my lord. Annex of 5 is the selection list. But he has not, she has not made party the selected candidates, those who were selected as party.
You should have made them party.
Tanko selection taku challenge
When
କରୁଛନ୍ତି,
you are
ତାଙ୍କ party କୁ।
challenging the selection of somebody, will you not make him or her party?
Not made my.
Make them party, make them party.
Maybe amendment.
Okay, let us consider the petitioner seeks to amend the constitution by implementing the selected candidate as party. This is the matter on 15th September.
24, my lord, Mr. Rotha for the petitioner is here, 2 o'clock, he just requested me that he's feeling very sick, he left. He requested for an adjournment.
Adjournment.
Okay. He was here at 2 o'clock, he felt very sick, so he told me that I'm going on to kindly. Next week, anytime.
Fifth Rasudale.
Okay.
Fifth. He's
Not
not well.
whatever the foreclosure charges.
I know that.
No, I'm Johnson.
Not well.
He was here, so he just.
Yes. Okay, next.
25,
my lord. This is a matter where Lordship Occasion directed the Council for the Transport Commissioner that on what basis the Transport Commissioner passed the order dividing the present petitioner for Lordship. Remember that matter that where the allegation that inquiry has been conducted, the present petitioner has amassed lot of money, my lord.
Yes. So
my lord, Lordship last occasion directed the Transport Commissioner that what is the basis of the findings, my lord.
what is the basis of the findings, sir? Transport Commissioner, sir? What is the basis of your finding that he has amassed a lot of money?
But I have received instructions.
On what basis you have stated that this person has amassed a lot of money? What is that basis?
But my respectful submission is, on the basis of the direction of the central government, an inquiry has been conducted.
But inquiry
Since
doesn't
the-
find anything.
Since financial irregularities are there and inquiry is
Sir,
directed to
you conducted the inquiry
Lord,
and
during-
you have arrived at a conclusion.
Lord,
I am
that-
saying, and on what basis you came to know that this person has got a lot of money? On what basis?
we have not recovered. Lord, the inquiry has been.
Have I told you recover,
Lord,
sir?
No, Lord.
Your report.
Report, no, Lord, we have not submitted the report. The ADM, the collector has been directed to inquire into the matter. And a report has been submitted before the government. So it is the government to take a decision. Since the inquiry is pending, we have not allowed the petitioner to participate in the.
Which inquiry? You are conducting the inquiry?
No, that inquiry is directed by the Home Department, which is
The Home
conducted by the
Department
ADM.
Directed to conduct an
My
inquiry.
lord, Lordship, may I clarify, my lord? My lord, direction has
Lordship,
been.
kindly see the-
Just
Lordship,
let him.
Lordship, kindly have a glance to page 23,
Annexure 3.
Annexure 3. Annexure 3, may I permit to read, my lord? The Home Department directed the state government, Lordship, the undersigned is directed to state.
So what, I understand. What is your instruction? Have you got any instruction? Last order is that there is some instruction to be obtained. You are supposed to obtain some instruction, sir.
Not since the, my submission is, since the report has been submitted before the government in the Home Department, that is pending before the government. So till then, we have not allowed the petitioner to participate.
In our counter, we have at page 5, last paragraph. There is a stand taken by the department. Next matter, Forum for Prevention of Road Accident, Kotak, while its application ID number such and such dated 8/1/2019 had applied for registration under the act as per inputs received from the Central Security Agency. The association.
Sir, what is the from the central security, what is the threat from this man? Is for running an
I am submitting, I am going to that. The association is a sister organization of other two NGOs, namely Suprativa
having registration number such and Women and Child Welfare Society being run by Sri Vikas Mahapatra, Secretary, and Minati Bindhani, Joint Secretary respectively, and has damaged a lot of property during last 12 to 15 years.
Who has written that?
The-
Somebody complained that.
Madam, the agency.
That is a complaint of somebody.
That agency report. They have taken the stand. The personal gain attracts section 12(4)(a) VI of the Act. Moreover, the Forum for Prevention of Road Accident has obtained prior permission on a 28/11/2013 to accept foreign contribution amounting to $2,500 from foreign donor, namely Global Alliance of NGOs for Road Safety, Stress, Switzerland, but association has not uploaded and furnished annual return and utilization certificate to the central government. As such, the application for association for obtaining FCRA registration was rejected on 22/4/2019. Further,
So he has not submitted the annual report.
Earlier.
Petitioner,
For which-
no petitioner, my lord. That is,
Petitioner, that is sister association. Sister association.
Here,
The ministry. Further, the Additional Secretary to Government of Odisha, Special Section Department was requested by this ministry, had letter number such and such to look into the matter in this regard, and a report be expedited to this ministry as regards the source of funds from which Vikas Mahapatra and Minati Bindhani has alleged damaged property. It was also requested to indicate whether any foreign fund has been utilized for damaging the property either through purchase or otherwise. But my lord, that report doesn't reveal regarding foreign fund. It only simply says no government fund. has been-
yes.
Government fund has never been allotted to them. Foreign fund have been allotted.
yeah, I know that. Government,
Yes.
see. Now, then what is the state government is saying? here? What is your instruction?
My lord, what happened, my lord, in this case, when inquiry was pending, the Transport Commission passed resolution dividing me not to attend and not to receive any fund from the state government. When inquiry has been completed, I filed application that previous order may kindly be recalled. That has been rejected and they have debarred me not to participate in meeting. That was input before Lordship, my lord.
That inquiry report is pending before the government.
And my lord,
Government, which government? State government?
my lord,
No, my lord.
and my lord, Home
You
Department,
must say, sir, union government or state government? Government. one-
Union government.
You have
my
to
lord,
say union
my
government.
lord, interestingly, the department, Home Department, which is directed for initiation of inquiry, has renewed my FCR registration of the petitioner. I filed the affidavit filed on 9/8/23, my lord.
Eight is pending before the government. That is.
Arey, sir, I understood, sir. See, the FCR renewal has already been done.
My lord.
So if there is anything wrong, any activity which was supposed to be prohibited and he is doing something, then in that case, he would have not been renewed it.
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it? So that means he is not in the, what do you call in the red zone,
My
right?
lord, my lord.
So he is in the green zone. So if he is in the green zone, then why there is so much you are after them? They are doing some social work. What is the report? Is there any report pending?
Yes. That is
I have to
annexure
take-
8 is-
Arey, let him answer na. You have
I have
to
to-
answer. Yes. Is there any report pending for the government?
I have wrote a letter, but I have not received.
Well, central government, you don't have any mechanism for
Yes,
calling for some person, nodal person, talk to him. And this is a letter
Mail jaye, phone.
My lord,
letter pending achi. If nothing is pending, then allow him to continue.
my lord, the report has been submitted. And I have no grievance against the union government. My only grievance against the state government, my lord. Since I have
State
been
government कौन कौची?
state government, my lord, the Lordship last occasion directed. What is the basis?
हाँ, basis तो सेभी किसी को ना थी.
My lord.
Then
Then my,
ଏବେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଁ central government report pending ଅଛି. I am
My lord, they have-
asking one simple question, sir. What is the basis for telling that, okay, this person has amassed a lot of wealth, a lot of money? What is the basis? କୋଉ basis? Just somebody complain କରିଦେଲା ବୋଲି ଆପଣ କହିଦେବେ? କିଏ ଗୋଟେ complain ଦେଲା, କିଏ ତା କଥା ପଢୁନଥିବ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ NGO ଥିବ ଯିଏ କି
My lord,
competitor ଥିବ,
on the
କିମ୍ବା
allegation,
କିଏ ଗୋଟେ employee ଟା ତାକୁ ଗାଳିଗୁଳା ଦେଇଦେଇ ବାହାର କରିଦେଇଥିବ, ସେ employee ବି ଲେଖିପାରେ. That doesn't make a case for.
My lord, on the allegation made by the OP number 7, that is the General Secretary, Private Truck Owner Association.
I know somebody, other person is doing that, so that on that basis, how can you say that?
And my lord,
Whatever they say, you just reproduce it.
Lordship, kindly glance to the allegation whatever made in Extra 5, my lord.
I have read, sir.
My lord.
Read it. Don't you think I have not read it?
Lordship, today.
I'm just asking whether you have read it or not. Yeah. So, what is the government saying? That means government, whatever government report, you rely on somebody's complaint and file your and prepare your report.
The collector, annexure.
On what basis the collector says? I'm asking a simple question. On the basis of some third person's complaint, you will write that this person is not.
You will also kindly see annexure 8, page 40.
Annexure 8.
8, page 40.
40 years I'm there. Bolo? Which paragraph?
Paragraph 4.
Hmm.
As stated in the affidavit and verified from the copy of the passbook of the access bank, UPI bank furnished by the firm verified from the affidavit. It is also found that the firm has received an amount of rupees 1,27,700 foreign.
Foreign grant. He received foreign grant. That doesn't mean he is MS wealth. Foreign grant. This is for a particular purpose. Grant is coming from foreign country. Your government is not giving anything. Foreign grant, aila paila se foreign grant kon kaam kala, why you are having problem?
And the finding is as Paras Pradan. The next page, 41. On perusal of the document furnished by the firm, it is observed that the amount of lot of property.
This is not done.
Illegal and unfair way can be established. This is the.
Can't be established means what? When what entire allegation goes straight away.
And
we have also renewed it here for another 5 years.
Union government is central government is.
Let's. What is your prayer?
My lord, prayer, my lord, to quash the minutes dated. Lordship and the. Okay. So minutes of proceeding dated 21/10/19 and 70/22.
What is the proceedings?
Proceedings, my lord, where the lordship can give a glance to the proceeding, that is page 32. First, keeping in view of the inquiries made by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, Foreign Division against Vikas Mahapatra and Srimati Minati Bandhani of FPRA NGO activist who has 2 more NGOs in the name of Suprativa and Women and Child Welfare Society, it was decided in the meeting that they will not be allowed for any financial support for any kind of road safety activities.
Financial support from the government.
My lord. And subsequently, another, my lord, that is page 48, in the previous general body meeting dated 21/10/19, some restrictions were imposed on Sri Vikas Mahapatra and Srimati Minati Bandhani, representative of from FVRA, having 2 more NGOs in the name of Suprativa and Women and Child Welfare Society. Basing on the letter from Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, it was decided in the last meeting that they will not be allowed for financial support for any kind of road safety activities and will not be invited.
And that decision was taken when no report is submitted. But that decision was taken on 21st October.
Which report? Where is the report?
But Lordship kindly see Annexure 6. Annexure 6 at page 27. That is the proceeding of general body meeting of Odisha Road Safety Society.
Yes.
And relevant para Lordship kindly see page 32.
Give me short note, all parties. I'll pass detail order.
But my submission is this decision has been taken on 21/10/2019.
Sir, एई report टा केबे आइला?
report ଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ collector ଦେଲେ
तो
collector
report दबा आगुरु
report
आपण report दबा पूर्वरु आपण केंदी ताकु देले पास करबी से ऑर्डर
report ଆମକୁ କିଛି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ
नॉट आपण कोनी मो report दबा पूर्वरु केमती ऑर्डर पास हबो और सिना पास ना
Yes, my lord. And after report, I have
Since the
filed for
matter
recall
is
of that order.
matter is at the inquiry stage.
Sir, then
After-
inquiry stage to inquiry haba पूर्वरु how will you tell that this this NGO has done this done that, how do you know that? आपण एते representation pass कले कम भाई?
Since there is financial irregularity,
Give me short
I am not allowed to.
And my lord, after inquiry, I have filed mail that order can be revoked.
Give me short note.
My lord, lordship,
I'm fixing it another day. 31st as well. So समस्त note उड़ दे दे.
obligation,
We'll pass a detail order.
obligation.
Next.
26.
Hmm?
26.
You always give a note. Memo दे दे. Good. Next.
26.
26. Kenadi. Non-APS. For the petitioner. Non-APS for the petitioner at this time, at the time of filing. On 17/5/2023 also non-APS. It seems that the petitioner of the issue for non-persecution. Next,
27.
27.
My lord. My lord, for the petitioner, on 28 June 2012, there was a fraud in Indian bank.
Fraud.
Fraud.
What kind of fraud?
The DGM of the bank has wrote a letter to CBI to inquire.
What kind of fraud?
Financial fraud. They have the then AGM, Mr. PV Tirumala Sastri. He has debited number of accounts, number of persons account, and debited it to credited to Pune accounts. Pune. Previously, he was in Pune. So he has wherever he goes, he made a debit. He credit those proceeds to parent branch. So here he has done it. So the DGM of the bank, he has made a complaint to CBI.
Then what?
My lord.
Then
Then CBI has given the charge sheet, complete finding reports. My lord, please see page number 48.
CBI कौन कहला?
CBI कहला एरा सब गलत ହେଇଛି, and both of them that person was arrested. He was under lockup.
Okay.
PVTA Sastri.
Now today what do you want?
Now again he was out. Inquiry was conducted by is going on conducting in this vigilance court in CBI court in Bhubaneswar. But my submission is I am the Dhanudhar. Please see my page number 48 of this plant, where the CBI has clearly told that my account has been debited 15,99,000, and in another account 1 crore 10 lakhs and 11,000. But those amounts the bank is not returning to my account. I have serviced the interest on that part because I am a
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
So how are you affected?
So my the loan is already debited. I am not availing those persons.
Debited to your account?
My loan account. The loan was sanctioned by the bank. That loan was debited by the PVTA Sastri to the number of accounts.
So loan जोड़ा आयला से गुड़ा आउट गुड़ा account को debit.
से अन्य बैंक को पठे दला एमदी करके तार से चले थिला से लोकटा एबे अरेस्ट हेथिला अरेस्ट पर सर मरिया
आपन को एबे what relief you are seeking?
सर मोर पैसा डेबिट कर देला से 15,99,000 से 2012
आपण चाहते से पैसा आपण बैक
सर मते रिटर्न मिरो कारण मो अकाउंट ता से माने डेबिट करी करी
Who is for the bank?
Sir, I'm a bit problem. You know, sir.
So what is your instruction, sir? ये लोग कर कि ये बेचारा किसी दोस्त नहीं ସେ ତ ପଇସା ସେଠୁ ଗଲା ତା account ଗଲା ତାକୁ
ସେଟା ହିଁ କଥା ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ has been given.
ୟାର ନା ନାହିଁ କିଛି
ନାଇଁ ସିଏ ନୁହନ୍ତି ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ 5 ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି ସେଥିରୁ 2 ଜଣ ମରିଗଲେଣି ଆଉ 3 ଜଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ସେ କଥା
trial has not commenced.
but this man why should he suffer for years?
But actually fraud has been committed on his account. He admittedly he has given certain blank checks. He has admittedly he has signed blank documents and he has signed also filled up documents, my lord. So, my lord, everything has been seized by the CBI, my lord. So he has not been able to show that which of the transaction is a fraudulent transaction.
My lord, please
Besides
see.
that, now he has asked for enhancement of the facility from 65 lakhs to 95 lakhs. We have enhanced the facility. He has executed the document and he has taken availed the facility. And thereafter, he has also asked for enhancement of that facility to 1 crore 20 lakhs.
My lord,
So, my lord, where no more this survives, my lord, till that is disposal of this case, my lord,
my lord, my lord,
So how long will it take for disposal of the case?
Your lordship directly.
No, why should I direct the CBI to dispose your court to dispose?
Trial stage. I'm informant.
my lord,
କେବେକାର case ଏଟା?
I have given number of
କେବେକାର case ଏଟା?
13.
13 13 ରେ ଚାଲିଛି ନା
13, 14, bro. Charge sheet has been
charge
given.
sheet has been filed in 14.
14. Charge sheet has been given in.
I have
trial ଚାଲିଛି ଆଉ ହେଇ ସରି
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ କଣ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ମୋ ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ଚାଲିନି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଚାଲିଛି ସେଇ 2 ଜଣ ଯିଏ ଫ୍ରଡ କରିଥିଲା
ଇଏ ଠିକ ଯେ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଚାଲିବ ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଇଏ କହିବା କଥା ନା ଅଲଗା ଲୋକ ମାନଙ୍କର against ବି ଥାଇପାରେ କିଛି ବାହାରି
Sir,
5ଟା account ରୁ ଯାଇଛି।
ଗୋଟେ account ରେ ସେ ପଇସା ଫେରେଇ ଦେଲେ ସାର୍
That is a government
my lord
account.
ଗୋଟେ account ରୁ ପଇସା
conclusive na sir
हाँ, my
conclusive finding is not there
हाँ
still the trial is there unless trial is closed how will you have
my lord my account is now they have converted to NPA for the last 12 years I am servicing the interest for those amount
why should he suffer sir
for those amount I have already my lord my prayer is
that 15 lakh rupees whatever you
15,99,000
se paisa ta revert karo
with interest my lord with interest
Unless the trial is not
trial
completed.
why should he suffer then
why I will suffer my account has been transferred to NPA my lord I am a super class contractor
My lord, who knows he is a party to it or not, my lord?
then if party got
My lord,
arrest him
my lord it is already proved
just a minute if something is found out arrest him hang him whatever you want to do but that doesn't mean that at the stage of trial without anything just you keep a person
No, not that. My lord, not only his account, 5 accounts have been.
you just to give the benefit of doubt to all
Your lordship may kindly, your
my
lordship
lord-
may call for a
my-
report for the trial, my lord.
no my lord
sir report trial kare ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି trial ଏମାନଙ୍କର କିଛି ବାହାରିଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ action ନେଇ ପାରିବେ ନା ପଇସା କଥା ତ ଆପଣ ପଇସା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି account ମୋର ତ ସବୁ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ
କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ if then you hang him whatever you want to do but at this time why are you hanging before
ମୋର ସଫର କରୁଛି my lord ମୁଁ ସଫର କରୁଛି
Page 46.
ନା ନା ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ କୁ ମୁଁ ଯିବାର ନାହିଁ
Here the, here,
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ମୋର ଯିବାର ନାହିଁ ସିମ୍ପଲ ଗୋଟେ କଥା କୁହନ୍ତୁ if this person is found to be guilty anyway ତାର connection ବାହାରିଲା
Yes, my
ଯାହା action ନେବା କଥା ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
yes
but in the meantime ତା ପଇସା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
yes my
Lord, ଏଠି ପରା 7,75,000
my lord
କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
48 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ my lord
6 ରେ kindly see.
my lord see page number 48 it is clearly written
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ତାଙ୍କ account ରୁ
15,99,000 ମୁଁ କହୁନି my lord ମୁଁ କହୁନି CBI କହୁଛି
ତା ପୂର୍ବ page 46
ଆପଣ 48 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 48 ରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 15 lakhs après 48 ତ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 46 ତ ଦେଖିବ 48 ତ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ my lord
ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଦେଖାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଦେଖ 48
ହଁ my lord
page 48
CBI has told that they have debited 15,99,000 in another account 1 crore 10,11,000
page କେତେ କହିଲେ
page 48 my lord
48
I am servicing the interest till 2022 I have no money now so they have transferred my account to NPA they have gone for securitization they have gone for servicing why I will suffer my lord fraud is they have done the fraud they should return my
48 yeah 48
48
Dharanidhar
Champati Rai they have taken 15,99,000
15 lakh 90 ଆରଟା ଯୋଉ ଅଛି
Lord, page 46.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ account ହେଟା କଣ
another account 1 crore 10,11,000
One crore ଆମେ କିଛି ହାତ ମାରୁ।
that is not
That is not that.
but I am
Now
concerned about
page
15,99,000
46, my lord. Page 46. Investigation, the one page before that, investigation of the case brought out that after enhancement of SOD limit in OD number such and such, DD Champatira was allowed by accused Shastri. The accused PBT Shastri debited an amount of 7,75,000.
Like this, everything they have founded and they have concluded in their report. They have report, they have submitted in 48.
They are saying
That
he
is
is
40.
not 7,75,000, it is he who alleged
My lord, it is
Sir,
15 lakhs,
your tabular statements
Yes.
says that 15.9 lakh,
99 lakhs.
account including interest in lakh, amount in lakh, 15.99.
ଛୟାଳିଶରେ କହିଲେ 7,75,000।
Sir, ସେଟା CBI କୁ ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କଣ
CBI କୁ
କରିବି?
ପଚାରନ୍ତୁ।
ମୁଁ ତ I can't interfere.
ଜଷ୍ଟିଫାଏ କେମିତି କରିବା?
ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ବାଲା ଜାଣିବେ ନା କେତେ କଣ ତାଙ୍କର ହେଇଛି?
My lord, they are,
These are all 12, 13. All the vouchers has been seized, my lord. And thereafter, the lord.
Everything, my lord.
Allow me to say. Lord,
Just what? You do one thing. From your bank, you just find out what is the amount debited from his account. Just find out from that. You give me that proof. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲେଜର ଥିବ ନା, ଲେଜର ଯାଇଥିବ
Total amount.
ହଁ ସେ ଲେଜର ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କେବେ କେବେ ଯାଇଛି ହେଲା, ସେଇ ପ୍ରୁଫ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
Total amount.
କନସେପ୍ଟ ଏଇ ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଦିସ୍ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ
Total ଟା ଗୋଟେ
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୋର ଟୋଟାଲ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ମତେ କେବଳ ଏଇ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର କେତେ ଅଛି 4160398777
ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୟାଶ କ୍ରେଡିଟ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ସେମାନେ ବିଜନେସ ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜାକ୍ସନ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିରେ।
My lord, ମୁଁ already attach ବି କରିଛି।
କୋଉଟା genuine?
Everything I have attached, my lord. I have attached.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା କେତେ ଥର କରି ଯାଇଛି ଡେବିଟ୍ ହେଇଛି କେତେ ଥର?
That is not sure also.
ଥରେ କରି ଯାଇଛି ନା କେତେ ଥର ଯାଇଛି?
Sir, page number, sir, I am sure.
one go ରେ ଯାଇଛି ନା ବହୁତ ଥର ଯାଇଛି?
Sir, ଗୋଟିଏ ଦିନରେ ସେ number of credit କରିଛି, number of debit କରିଛି। Now it has come to
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଇଏରେ କେତେ ଥର ଯାଇଛି?
15,99,000 sir ଯାଇଛି total।
ଥରକରେ
ଥରକେ ଯାଇନି sir।
କେତେ ଥର ଯାଇଛି?
ସେ ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି my lord। I have already attached।
Do one thing, what I think that's the right way. You give him the proof. Who data ଯାଇଛି?
ହଁ my lord।
He will check in the bank and he'll get back with the detailed report. तापर academically से ये जो confusion होची कि 15 को होची कि 7 हो जाए that you give me the detail. Learn concept of the petitioner to give the details of the credit the account for 4160398777 account number 4160398777. Since it is a cash credit account, there is a confusion in arriving at a conclusion regarding the actual amount of debit taken place in the said account. The land comes to the bank will check the actual amount and file a short affidavit stating that stating the amount of money which has been debited from court rush. ଆପଣ ସେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କୋଉଟା ଦେଇଛି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ତା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରେ ଚେକ୍ କରିছে along with the a copy of the ledger a photocopy ସେଇ page the relevant page photocopy of the relevant page of the ledger ହେଲା ତ ଜଣା ପଡିଯିବ ଆପଣ ledger ଟା ଲି କରିଦବ ଆଉ ଯଦି ସେ କହିବେ କାଇ କହୁଥିବେ 15 କିଏ କହୁଥିବେ 7 କଣ ଏ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଜଣା ପଡିଯିବ
my lord ଏଟା already ହେଇଯାଇଛି report ରେ।
let him na fresh ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ confusion କାହିଁକି ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି confusion ଦୂର ହଉ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ହେଲା next
item 28
My lord, this engagement order under answer 4, I was engaged and working as Kasak in the year 2003. I was
grievance.
My lord, my grievance, my lord, disengagement after 19 years of my service.
Disengagement after 19 years. Why?
My lord, they stated that without advertisement, we were selected. Before the Hon'Ble High Court also directed to the authorities for make a fresh advertisement. Authority did not make any fresh advertisement. We also working as a Sikasa Act. After 19 years, when we prayed for a regularization, they made us disengagement.
Why did you regularize them after 19?
My lord, your lordship will See, that on 25th March 2003, there is an advertisement for filling up Shiksha Sahayak of.
No, question.
My lord, I'm coming to the, I'm coming.
They
They
have served for 19 years.
No, my lord, that their service is continued only because of interim order of the.
Rightly or wrongly, they have worked for that period.
But
We
as per
we are
your
not.
lordship, as per the decision of this honorable court, we have to implement the decision of this honorable court. And accordingly, they have been disengaged.
I did not approve the honorable court and this honorable court did not grant an interim order in my favor.
But a tribunal has granted.
No, I did not come to the tribunal, any tribunal.
But the present petitioner were continuing with the interim stay order dated 31st March 2019, passed in OA number 515 of 2019. My lord. Well, we have issued the order in the year 2017, my lord. They have continued up to till now on the basis of this interim order. What has happened, my lord? Before coming to the matter, I'll just apprise your lordship with certain dates, my lord. On 25th March 2003, one advertisement was published for the district of Punjab for fulfillment of 9,654 posts of Swachhasevi Shiksha Sahayak. As per those advertisement, some of the candidates have been engaged, my lord. But these petitioners were not been selected. But the government took a decision as so many posts are vacant, without any fresh advertisement, they have given appointment to the petitioner. Those appointments were challenged before the honorable court. The decision of the government rather was challenged before the honorable court.
Yes.
This honorable court has passed an order by directing the government, no, you cannot appoint without any fresh advertisement.
In the year 2004, my lord. 2004 High Court कहले सेबे टू डिसएंगेजमेंट कर देले सब थांदा.
Then
ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଦମାସ ହଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲ ଗୁଡାକ।
Tribunal ରେ 19 ମସିହାରେ ତାଙ୍କ କଥା.
ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଚାଲିଲା ଷ୍ଟେଟ।
The Honorable Apex Court has confirmed the order of the Honorable High Court.
What is the order?
They confirmed.
No, what is the order?
Fresh advertisement.
My lord, for fresh advertisement.
Then tribunal stayed.
My lord?
Then tribunal stayed.
No, my lord.
Then?
Some of the applicants, those who have been disengaged like the present petitioner, it is mentioned that if your lordship will call those records, then your lordship will be clear that OA number 515 of 2019.
No. Once Supreme Court has confirmed that there should be fresh advertisement.
Fresh advertisement.
After terminating these people or before terminating?
No. During those periods, those petitioners were working, because it was under challenge before the Honorable Supreme Court.
So as soon as after the Supreme Court said that there should be, there should be fresh, why did you disengage them immediately? You disengage immediately then. Then they should have given an opportunity to appear before the court. See, once Supreme Court says that the appointment was wrong and whatever, blah, 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 the next course of action should be, you should have advertised afresh, and these people should have also been given chance to appear.
Then another applicant, that's Sushil Kumar Mahapatra.
अरे सर के महापात्र मुख वोट नहीं गिरी कौन करवी केते महापात्र
No, he has approached this honorable court again.
मो कथा सुनतु सुप्रीम कोर्ट जेतले कहिला इमीडिएटली आपण फ्रेश एडवर्टाइजमेंट करिया कथा
My lord.
कॉले ना नहीं
That instruction I don't have. When the fresh advertisement has been published, that instruction I don't have.
फिर सुप्रीम कोर्ट कहला पर को हाई कोर्ट के को ट्राइब्यूनल के ऑर्डर तार अगेंस्ट
In fact, a similar case my lord has already kept for order, reserved the judgment. I am to give a note. यही एक का ऋषिकेश बिंदानी केस में ऑर्डर सही
इमान को तब इमान कंटिन्यू कर लेता है चलला
मैंने कंटिन्यू कर
on what basis because the high court who has given them
in the year 2006 they are being disengaged, my lord.
Since then the
no, my lord, we were not disengaged. That is wrong submission, my lord.
confusion there. The government
My lord, I'll
not
prepare,
copy with the good.
my lord, it is so many read petitions are involved in this case. I'll prepare a short date chart.
I
Your-
am asking for this petition. I am least bothered about so many. I am concerned with this petition.
all are related below.
May be related. More never nahi. Whatever he is concerned with. These କେତେଟା ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ଆମେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଛୁ 24 ଜଣ।
ସେଇ 24 ଜଣ ଏଇ 24 ଜଣ ମତଲବ ରଖନ୍ତୁ କାହିଁକି କିଏ ସେ ବିନ୍ଧାଣି ମୁଁ କଣ କହିବି ମେନ୍ ଅର୍ଡର ଯାହା ହେଲେ ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ମଝିରେ ଆଉ କିଏ ଆଇଲା କିଏ ଗଲା କିଏ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଦୌଡ଼ିଲା କିଏ ମତେ ମିଳିବ କଣ ୟୁ କନସର୍ନ ୱିଥ୍ ଦିସ୍ 24 ଓନ୍ଲି 24 ରେ କଣ ହେଲା କଣ ରେଷ୍ଟ ପାର୍ଟ ପେନ୍ ରେଡି ନେଲା ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଲା
2022 में
The
सर
case that I was doing, that he was disengaged, he took part in the fresh advertisement, he did not qualify.
Okay.
He did not qualify and his case was
this
referred.
person you appeared before the sorry you applied in the advertisement.
advertisement we did not we were not applied in the advertisement, we were kept as Sikha Sahak, and when we approached to the authority
Sir, you are kept because of the interim order.
no we are not interim, we are getting not interim order, my lord.
You continue with
My lord, we are not getting an interim order.
I'm getting so much confusion. Please give me a detailed
Sir, I'll file a short note.
Dead chart along confined to this. Don't get confused.
My lord.
Confined to this petition only. We'll see that. I'm giving a short that we finish it unnecessary.
Your lordship's own order has been passed in case of Horopriya Patra.
I know that, but in your case, I want to.
Well, I case is similar with the Horopriya Patra, my lord.
Let them file it. 11th. File before 11th.
15 पर हजूर रो मूवी दे देबी मूवी दे देबी समस्त दे देबू
कोन
मूवी नोट चार्ट डेट चार्ट
11 ରେ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ଅଛି
11 ମୁଟେ ରହି ପାରି
so much confusion. Next
29.
29.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, my senior is in hospital because of his son is suffering from dengue. He could not appear before this honorable court. Kindly allow 7 days time to file.
Okay, list the matter on 13th.
Oh, will I?
Next
30.
30.
30 notice has been issued to the opposite party, but none of the list does not reflect any name of the country.
Sorry?
Notice has already been issued. The list
But in the authority achi public utility services authority achi
se jo permanent lok adalat
sir public utility services authority achi ki party kendi banele taku
I will amend that.
कौन कौन कहा का पार्टी से जो पार्टी माने एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं तक बने दूसरी पार्टी
permanent लोक अदालत
पब्लिक यूटिलिटी सर्विसेज गंजाम एंड अनदर वाह वाह
that is required to be corrected. I will file amendment.
अब फर्स्ट जो कलाड़े हम दिमाग रे पसेनी ଆଉ ଫେଲ କରିବେ ଲିବର୍ଟି ଟୁ କରେକ୍ଟ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ଧନ୍ଦା କରିବେ
ଭୁଲରେ ଖସି ଯାଇଛି
କାଇଁ ଖସିବ ଭୁଲରେ ଖସିନି ଜାଣି ଖସିଛି ଆପଣ ଜାଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି ପବ୍ଲିକ ରେ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ଭାବିଥିବେ ଚେକ୍ କରିନଥିବେ ଗୁଗଲ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଅଛି
permanent
ଗୁଗଲ ରେ ସର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ
57 ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି permanent ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ public utility services ସେ permanent ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ କୁ ଛାଡି ଦେଇକି public utility services ରେ କରିଦେଇ type
you rectify it not consider the petitioner to modify the first title list the matter on 13th September.
So far as the office to verify it, otherwise I will take fresh.
ମୁଁ କିଛି ଅଫିସ ଭେରିଫାଇ କରି ଆପଣ ଫ୍ରେଶ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖାଯିବ ତାପରେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଫ୍ରେଶ ନୋଟିସ ଆଉ ଭୁଲ ଭାଲ ଲେଖି ଏଇ ଅଥରିଟି ନଥିବ କୋଉଠି ଯିବ ସେଟା ତମେ ଜାଣିଛି ବଢିଆ ଆପଣ ଭାଗ୍ୟ ଭଲ ତାହେଲେ ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ଅଦାଲତ କଣ କରିବ ଆସିକି ଏଠି ଆପଣ ପାର୍ଟି କିଏ
the party the contesting party OP number 2 melody. This is the nominee who is claiming the insurance benefit. OP number 2.
लोक अदालत को केंद्र पार्टी बनौछिन तब केंद्र पार्टी बने
आवश्यकता नहीं जेहेतु कोड
आवश्यक कोन आपण पार्टी बनाले काई जहां पर ताहे पार्टी बने एबे केउडी करथला से बैंक रो कोन उडे अछि से फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी पार्टी बनला फाइनेंस सेक्रेटरी डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल सर्विस गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया शास्त्री भवन बारे की बढ़िया पार्टी बनौछन आउट
रिफ्लेक्ट ହେଇନି ऑफिस वेरीफाई
ये नोटिस का भी
ओपी नंबर 2
Opinion number 2 is sufficient easy. First था ये नहीं, first था first
Statutory but not
दरकार नहीं,
necessary.
first दरकार ही नहीं.
Permitted delete.
हाँ, लोग बोला तो कितने पार्टी बनी व्यापार.
दरकार नहीं.
पर डिलीट कर दो.
Opinion number 1 में भी delete.
ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି? Opinion number 2 पे.
नहीं से हम along with me.
Opinion number 2 किए अच्छे council का नाम है.
नहीं क्या
service those services insufficient to in favor of opinion number 2. Non let another 2 weeks time granted for the opinion number 2 to appear in person or through advocate. Just the matter. 21st. Next.
Item number 32.
32.
In this matter, I have to file the counter affidavit. I have already intimated Mr. Das also.
Yeah, for the bank.
My
Not counsel of the bank, Mr. Vishwal, permit that. You will file the
counter affidavit.
Within 2 weeks, just the matter. 21st.
Yes, sir. By that
You're
time-
for?
I'm for the petitioner, Your Lordship, on behalf of Mr. Pratik.
Next.
Item 34.
34.
I am for the opposite party number 1 and 2.
Well, I am Peter Mellers, so item number 33, I am appearing today, Mellers.
34.
33 Mellers.
33.
33 was not called, I am sorry, madam.
33.
It was not called. After 32, it was.
ଆପଣଙ୍କର petitioner time ନେଇଦେବେ ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି ଏମିତି ଯୋଉ ମନ ଇଚ୍ଛା ଯୋଉ ଆସିକି 10:30 ରେ ସବୁ ନେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସବୁବେଳେ ସାଇଡ୍ ବାଲା ଲୋକକୁ ନେଇକି ଆସ ବୋଲି କହେ. That is the reason why I say. ଜଣେ ଲୋକ ଆସିକି ଜଗିଥିବ ସେମାନେ 10:30 ନେଇକି ପଳେଇଥିବେ. If they don't have patience, they should not file the case. Simple. ଯଦି ଇଏ ବସିବାର patience ନାହିଁ ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ party present adjournment ନେବେ. ଗୋଟେ କିଏ ଥିଲା ସେଟା opposite party?
Petitioners.
କିଏ ଥିଲା? କିଏ?
Sridhar Rath.
Sridhar Ratha.
Let also, our appearance may be noted here.
Sir, your appearance, it is filed in the registry, not here. Please file in the registry. It is filing counter नहीं. ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇବେ proof ପାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି, but you have to file there.
This is the practice is continuing, Mellers.
No, that practice has to stop. Registry is meant for filing, not this code is not meant for filing.
Okay, Mellers.
For something you have to show proof, we are ready to see that. Next.
Item 34.
I am for the opposite party number 1 and 2. I have filed my counter and he has also filed the rejoinder. Copy has already served on me. Maybe taken up your lordship may taken up this matter. I have filed a petition for vacation of stay. Your lordship may kindly.
Final hearing will be taken up, but let these rejoinders will come to the lordship's record then. Sorry, today I served the copy of the rejoinder and other the state also I am serving the copy.
Sir, our last moment rejoinder ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଦେବେ
ନ ଦେଖିବେ argument କରିବେ.
ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି as a in a common sense ଜଣେ rejoinder last moment ଦେବେ ଗୋଟେ surprise ଦେଲା ଭଳିଆ ଗୋଟେ ଦେବେ last moment
my respectively submission before the lordship.
minimum ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଆଗ ତ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ.
Tomorrow or day after tomorrow, any day, lordship pick up this matter, this rejoinder will come up to.
What is the stay, sir?
I am entitled to
Your
get
lordship,
subsidy from the government.
5 minutes I will take your lordship. Your lordship may kindly turn to the prayer portion of the writ application.
Yes.
Lordship got it? The prayer is to direct opposite party number 4 to release the subsidy amount with a direction to the opposite party number 1 and 2 not to take any coercive action during that period. They are not releasing the subsidy. Are we responsible for that?
Who will release the
The
subsidy?
state government will release, and he has also filed petition before the DRT and thereafter appeal before the DRT. DRT appellate court, his case is pending. I have taken in my paraphrase counter. And there also he has not revoked any jurisdiction.
if subsidy is to be given by the state government,
My lord,
huh?
state
Why should bank will be honoring your request for not taking into
no,
consideration?
my lord, the reason being in how much amount of the actually sanctioned, that of fully sanctioned amount has not been released by the bank. For that reason, the subsidy amount due to non some affixing the equipments, whatever equipments as required as per the policy. For that reason, the subsidy amount could not be come up. And recently, government of Orissa has also circulated a circular that those are the MSME loans have not been obtained the subsidy amount. They will get the subsidy in the month of June 2000.
A loan ta keve nahi dile apan?
A loan ta ame nahi thulu 2019 19
କେତେ ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
ମୋର ସାଂକ୍ସନ ଏମାନେ କରିଥିଲେ 32,20,000 ମତେ ଦେଲେ ସବୁ ଲୋନ 27 ଲକ୍ଷ 27,87,000 ଆଉ 4,33,000 ନ ଦେବା ଫଳରେ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କର କ୍ୟାଟେଗୋରିକାଲ ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟରରେ ଯେ ଏଇଟା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡେଫିସିଟେଡ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ହେବା ଫଳରେ ସେ ଇକ୍ୱିପମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ BIS ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଗୋଟେ ଦରକାର ପଡୁଛି। ए BIS सर्टिफिकेट जो दरकार से बेसिस रे तो सब्सिडी अमाउंट टा मिलवा कथा। दिस इज ए फॉल्ट ऑफ द बैंक मिलॉर्ड। मोर सिक्योरिटी टा नेले टोटल अमाउंट भी सैंक्शन कले सब एग्जीक्यूट कले मते पूरा एंटायर अमाउंट वुड हैव बीन सैंक्शन सो आई वुड हैव बीन माने फिक्स्ड दैट इक्विपमेंट्स। दिस इज द इशू। I mean, one hand they have taken collateral security, on the other hand they have not allowed to me to run the unit fulfill. I have arranged the money from my relatives and friends.
Collateral security maybe. Collateral
किंतु मोर टोटल अमाउंट टा मुझे तो सैंक्शन करछि एतरो मोर सैंक्शन अमाउंट टा 32,20,000 व्हाट हर्डल्स केम टू द बैंक दे हैव नॉट रिलीज्ड द एंटायर अमाउंट जा फଳରେ 4,33,000 न दा फଳରେ सब जिंस डाला।
That issue has already been decided before this honorable court.
I don't know what was decided. Can you
Because that issue has raised before the DRT as well as before this honorable court for a necessary direction. And in the previous week application also.
What is the reason for?
The reason he has not complied certain terms for which that money was not paid.
If 32 lakhs, just hypothetically.
OTS sir, OTS.
No, from the beginning I'm saying. Start from the beginning.
Yeah.
If you are supposed to grant sanction 32 lakh.
Yes.
So why did you sanction less than?
No, we have sanctioned 32 lakhs.
No, we have not sanctioned.
32 lakhs more.
From 27 lakhs something.
And he is alleging that 27 lakhs has been paid and other money has not been paid.
Yes.
That is his allegation, madam.
Yes.
In that context, madam, my submission is that,
that?
madam, my submission is that money which was not given to him, that I have no instruction at present.
Instruction that I want to go to that.
Yes,
That is the
I'll
root of
take
the matter.
instruction. Let it come
When
day
a
after
particular
tomorrow.
amount is sanctioned, sir, it is a
Yes,
see,
if
bank, see, if a particular scheme is floated
yes,
along with the bank, the bank is also a party. Government bank, there is a tripartite
that's
agreement.
right.
Kind of thing.
I entirely agree with your
Okay.
lordship.
When 32 lakh is sanctioned, I mean, because of that scheme,
Yes,
why there will less amount be given to them?
yes.
What is the reason for that?
No. I'll take instruction in that,
Please take
that
instruction on
context,
that.
because now this is the case.
Without any reason, you can't deduct the amount.
That's right. I admit. That's right. I'll take instruction on that.
General,
Yes. You're also.
forget about this case, that case.
Yes.
A particular X amount is to be released, X amount to be released. Why X minus 1?
Right, madam. That's right. But my case is that, my case before your lordship is that now all the forums he has exhausted.
No, forget about
Because
that.
for non-payment.
That is letter part, sir.
No.
I'm on the
That I'll
starting
clarify
point.
you.
Starting point.
I will clarify that point and also erase the
Starting point.
doubt clear.
If in starting point you have played some mischief by not giving that, the
That's-
entire thing will go.
That's
This
right.
is wrong.
That's right.
What
And
is this?
secondly-
If a particular amount is what prevented the bank not to give him.
There must
And
be-
if you have sufficient
that-
reason.
My apprehension, there
I can
must be a
understand.
reason, because without reason, bank would.
One point,
Bank will not- he
Intentionally,
fact.
the officers intentionally not released the total sanction amount.
कौन पाई कहले कि आपण अप्रोच करथिले कौन पे रिलीज करले आपण कि भेटिथिले कौन कहले कि आपण क्लाइंट किसी कहले
କାହିଁକି ଦେଲେନି ବୋଲି ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ନା ଦେବୁ ଦେବୁ ବୋଲି କହି ଆଉ ଦେଲେନି ତ ରିଲିଜ କରିବୁ ବୋଲି ଏମିତି କହିଲେ। କରି ତାପରେ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଏନପି ହେଇଗଲା।
There must be a reasonable.
No, no, ଇମ୍ପିରି ରିଜନ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ସେଟା instruction ନେଲେ କହିଦେବି।
ଛାଡ଼ିବିନି
ମୁଁ instruction ନେଇ କହିଦେବି।
ହଁ ବିଲକୁଲ
କିନ୍ତୁ
ଜଣେ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
ଲୋକ
ସେ ସବୁ ଫର୍ମ
କାହିଁକି how can you stop?
No, that's right. Secondly, if that would be there, another
ସେଟା
point.
କହିଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ବାକି
ଅନ୍ୟ ଜିନିଷ ଚାଲିଯିବ।
ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ତାପରେ ଗଛ ବଡ ହବ ଏନପି ହେଲା କଣ ହେଲା ପଛରେ ଏଇ ପଏଣ୍ଟ ଆଗ କ୍ଲିୟର କର ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଏନପି ଇଟ ମେ ବି ରିଜନ ଇଟ ମେ ବି another reason ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକକୁ ଫୁଲ ନ ଦେଲେ ତାର ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରି ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବ ଅଧା ଜିନିଷ କିଣି ପାରିବନି ରହିଲା ପେ କରିପାରିବନି ତାପରେ ଏନପି ହେଲା ଏଇ ଆପଣ ତା ପାଖରେ ଗୋଡେଇବେ ତାପରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟିଂ ରୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଫଲ୍ଟ ଜଷ୍ଟ ନ କ୍ଲିୟର ଦ୍ୟାଟ ମତେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ମେସିନ ର ଦାମ ଯଦି 34 ଲକ୍ଷ ଅଛି 32 ଲକ୍ଷ ଅଛି ମତେ 27 ଗଲେ ମୁଁ ପାଇବିନି ପୁଣି 5 ଲକ୍ଷ କୋଉଠି ଖୋଜିବି ନା ପାଇଲା କିଣି ପାରିବନି
I totally agree. That's why I said,
this will create problem.
very beginning, because that was the.
This is schematic loan and a particular scheme government ର ଗୋଟେ scheme
Yes,
ଥାଏ
yes,
ସେ scheme
yes.
ରେ ଗଲା ଯେ employment youth employed unemployed youth ପାଇଁ କି ଆଉ କା ପାଇଁ ଦିଆଯାଏ କି ଆଉ ଏଇ ପ୍ରକାର ସେଥିରେ
Standard Miller of the material.
ପୁରା ପୁରା
The testing equipment-
ସେ ବ୍ୟାଜ ଟା କେମିତି
The testing equipments were not there. Testing
4 ଲକ୍ଷ
equipment were
ଟଙ୍କାର
not.
4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କାର କଣ standard equipment କି ହେଇପାରୁନଥିଲା?
କମ କଥା ପଡିଛି ସେଠିକି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁନି ଆପଣ ଫଲ୍ ଟାକୁ ଇଏ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ର ଫଲ୍
ଲାଇନ ଟା my learned brother stated that the government has also stated that due to non-payment of the entire money, that equipments could not be affixed. For that reason, this ଏମିତି ଅଧା ଲୋକ development how they
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଡିକ୍ଲାର କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ପ୍ରମିଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ କଲ୍ଡ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପଲ ଅଫ ପ୍ରମିଜରୀ ଏଷ୍ଟେବଲ ଏଠି ବି ଲାଗୁ ହବ ୟୁ ଆର ପ୍ରମିଜିଂ ୟୁ ଆର ନଟ୍ ଅନରିଂ ୟୁର ପ୍ରମିଜ ତାପରେ ବାହାର ଏଟା ହେଲାନି ସେଟା ହେଲାନି ତାକୁ ଯଦି ନ ଦେବେ ବି ତାପରେ 10ଟା ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ବାହାର କରିବେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଦିଆ ହବ
sanction ହେଲା principal ଗୋଟେ particular amount of sanction entire amount ought to have been released.
ଫଟଫଟ ଲୋନ ହେଲା ଇଏ ପ୍ରପର ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଦେଲା ଆପଣ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ସେ ୟୁନିଟ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ତାପରେ ତାର ଯଦି ଭୁଲ ହେଲା ସେ ୟୁନିଟ ଚଲେଇ ପାରିଲାନି କଣ ହେଲା then you have the very I mean you have the reasons to do that but from the beginning you are just trying to cripple କିନ୍ତୁ ଆକୁ ବଢିବ ସେ let it you answer and consider this
1 week after
bank to take instruction regarding non-payment of the whole what is the amount
whole sanction amount
Whole
of
sanction
rupees
amount,
32 lakhs 20,000. They have released
sanction amount of rupees
32 lakhs 20,000.
32 lakhs 20,000
Huh.
instead the bank released sanction sorry released only
27 lakhs 87,000.
27 lakh 87,000 now consider this bank has to take instruction as to what is the reason for such deduction. This is the matter. 11th verse.
12th round.
12. Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue.
Oblige.
36.
36.
36, my lord. There is your lordship will say flag B, there is a small amendment. There's a typographical error in the petition. Instead of opposite part number 5, it should be 4 and 6 should be 5. There's a small amendment petition at flag B.
You file it?
May he solve the copy right now, my lord. So far as that aspect is concerned, is okay, my lord. But so far as the other paragraphs says
You
mentioned,
do one thing.
I'll take instruction, my lord.
What are the other paragraphs?
Well, there are some amendments with respect to the pleadings in the paragraphs, my lord.
My lord, that
So far-
particular amendment petition was filed before appearance of the OP. Those are formal in nature, typo was error, and all the materials are from sale deed. There's some minor error, 1-page amendment if your lordship see an extra.
So you file amendment?
Yes, flag B is there. Once there is a mistake, it has gone throughout the petition.
You just amendment application filed and then just change the whole.
I have checked and
Then-
accordingly in each para.
Have you given me a copy?
I
Yes,
just
submit right now, my lord.
Okay, list the matter on fourth. Next,
entry mod to continue.
entry want to con. Achi entry board.
Oh, achhi.
Next,
37.
37.
You can have a glance to the first order number one, everything.
Yes. Oh, is that photograph? Sending the photograph. Yes,
He has filed counter and not a
he
single
has taken cognizance by the Lokayukta.
look. I have challenged the order of the look as well as the.
There is an appeal provision, my lord.
Huh?
Appeal provision.
ନାଇଁ ସେଥିରେ ମୁଁ
Lokayukta order against.
କେମିତି ହବ?
ଅଛି ଏଠି।
କଣ କାହା
Collector order against appeal ଅଛି।
His own paragraph 13.
ହଁ
Lokayukta order against appeal କୋଉଠି ଯିବେ?
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା against.
ଆଜ୍ଞା appeal କହୁଛନ୍ତି।
Collector କୁ disengagement.
ହଁ ହେଲା।
No, he is for against the Lokayukta order, no?
ଲୋକାୟତ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଉ ଲୋକାୟତ ଅର୍ଡର ଅନୁସାରେ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଡିସଏନଗେଜ କରିଛି ଆଉ ସେଥିରେ ଅପିଲ ଗଲେ କଣ ସେଟା ତ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଫିର୍ମ କରିଛି
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆସିବାକୁ ପଡିବ 26
ଆଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଆପଣ ଡିଟେଲ ପଢିଥିଲେ ତାର ଜବ ଚାର୍ଟଟା ସେଥିରେ ନାହିଁ କିଛି ଆମର କାମ
You have taken instruction.
ହଁ ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
You filed.
they have filed counter I have received copy
I filed.
You want to file legend?
ନାଇଁ I don't file
ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ସେଥିରେ ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର କିଛି ବି ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଏ ପିଟିସନରେ
ଥିଲା।
ଯାହା ଅଛି ସେୟା ହିଁ ଅଛି
କିଛି ଥିଲେ ତ ଲେଖିବେ।
ନାଇଁ ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଛି ପିଟିସନର ଯାହା ନେକ୍ସଚର
କାଇଁ counter ଆମ
କାଉଣ୍ଟର
ପାଖରେ
ସେତିକି
ନାହିଁ?
ନେକ୍ଚର
ଆମ ପାଖରେ ନାହିଁ ଯେ counter?
ଫାଇଲ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆସିନଥିବ ରେକର୍ଡ କୁ ଆସିନଥିବ it was filed.
ଆମର ରେକର୍ଡ କୁ ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣ ପାଇତ ହେଇଥିଲେ ଆମର ଲାଭ କଣ?
ମୋ ପାଖେ ଅଛି I'll give a hard
ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ ଥିଲେ କଣ ହେଲା? ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ ପଢିବିନି।
copy. It's filed long back.
ଲଙ୍ଗ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଥିଲେ ମୋ ପାଖରେ ତ ନାହିଁ କହୁଛି ଆଉ long back।
Long when I say long back, my lord, I mean that.
ନାହିଁ। ଆମ ପାଖରେ
24
ନାହିଁ
ସାତ।
ଟୋଟାଲି। ଆପଣ ଲଙ୍ଗ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ଆମର ତ ନାହିଁ କହୁଛି ନାହିଁ ଆଉ। ନା ହାର୍ଡ କପିରେ ଅଛି ନା ସଫ୍ଟ କପିରେ ଅଛି।
Hard copy ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି I have the hard copy that is.
ମୁଁ ହାର୍ଡ ଏବେ ଦେବି କେତେବେଳେ ପଢିବି? ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ
ନା ମୁଁ କପି ପାଇଛି
କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ?
ସେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଯାହା ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି ସେତିକି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ନାହିଁ ସେ ଜିଆରଏସ୍ ଗାଇଡ
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ପଢିଲା ପରେ ଆଉ ଆମର କପି ନଥିବ ଆମ ପାଖରେ କପି ନଥିବ
I'll give the hard copy also. Let it come tomorrow day.
ଫାଇଲ କପି ଜଷ୍ଟ ଟ୍ରେସ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଅନଲାଇନ ଫାଇଲ
Online file is e-file.
ଜଷ୍ଟ ଅନଲାଇନ ରେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ମେଟ୍ରୋ 12 ନେକ୍ସଟ
12 ଆଉ ଟିକେ
ବେଶୀ ଯୋଉ
ଏଟା ଲୋକଟା ଡିସଏନଗେଜ ହେଇକି 3 ମାସ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ରହିଲାଣି 6,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦରମା 20-22 ବର୍ଷ ଚାକିରି କରିଛି ଏ ସମୟରେ ଡିସଏନଗେଜ
ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 39.
39, there is 11 sub items for contempt, out of which 6 have been disposed of. Now, 5টা ଅଛି, my lord, may give me 7 days, I'll be done.
What is the contempt?
Non-compliance of disposal of representation. This one.
contempt?
11ଟା ଥିଲା ତ 6ଟା already ହେଇସାରିଛି ଆଉ 5ଟା
ହେଇଯାଇଛି
6ଟା ହେଇଛି।
6ଟା ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ କରିଦବା
Copy note, sir.
ଦେଇଦେବେ କପି ଟା କଣ
Mention the sub items also.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲ କ୍ରିଏଟ କର ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ ପାଇଁ ବଢିଆ ହବ ଫଟାଫଟ ହବ ଏତେ କେତେ ଆମେ ଏଇ ସବୁ ଏଫି ଆସୁଥିବ ବେଶ ସବୁ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଅଫିସର ବସେଇଦେବେ ବସିକି ଦିନ ରାତି ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କରୁଥିବେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ତାପରେ ଟ୍ରାଇବୁନାଲରେ ତାପରେ ଏଠିକି ଆସେ ବେଟର ବହୁତ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ 8,000-10,000 ଲେଖାଏଁ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ହେଲାଣି ଡିପାର୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଅଫିସର ମରିଯିବେ ପୁରା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜାଲ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ହେଲା ମୁଁ କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପ୍ଟ ବୋଲି ଭାବେନି unnecessary physically not possible for any officer to do all these things लिखिदिया ଏଇଟା ମାନେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ମାନେ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ କରିଦିଅ ହେଲା ବାକି ରେଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇ ଦିଅ this is the matter on 11th
Copy टा communicate करना.
ଗୋଟେ କପି ଟେ ଦେଇଦେବେ।
दे दे, I'll give.
Next.
Item number 40.
40.
My lord, petition challenging the order for decision in the Anganwadi worker, my lord. Last taken time to file counter, my lord. Counter not file.
File?
ना फाइल
ଆଉ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ନେବେ?
ना ना मुको I'll get it.
ଏଟା ପୁରା 2014 ରେ ମ୍ୟାଟର।
हाँ PWC ଟା ଥିଲା 80 ନଥିଲା 19 7 ରେ I'll get it now. Next week ଆସିଲେ ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି. I just have to file an affidavit.
12. Next. Next.
41.
41.
Item 41, my lord. On the last occasion, a lordship was directed State Council to take instruction on my the 22 persons. I have filed in the register copy, my lord. 22 persons have given a promotion to the post of supervisor. This petition, my lord, petitioner, my lord, has already completed more than 15 years service in as a Anganwadi worker. Was it not given a promotion? Lordship will see that. But the law of that to relate to Anganwadi workers promotion matter, my lord. That is section, the rule. What has been given, my lord? Rule 13, lord. This specifically says that the promotion. May I read that promotion, lord? That is promotion. Vacancies in the senior grade of the service arising up for recruitment to year shall be filled up by way of promotion.
Before you read that we have last time we read it.
Yes, lord.
What is the answer to this?
So, I'll be filing that it is on the process of preparation.
Sir, focus on one thing. If 15 persons are there,
My lord, I'm just.
they have been given.
No, my lord.
Why
Those-
this person has
tho-
been?
Those 22% who have been promotion, got the selection of the ICDS supervisor, my lord. They were 10 plus, 10 plus matriculation plus 10 years of experience.
ଆଉ ୟାଙ୍କର?
15 ବର୍ଷ।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେ ପାସ୍?
ମୋର 15 ବର୍ଷ yes,
Yes, my lord.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
graduate, we are
ଆରେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ତ।
we are graduate.
Graduate. ଆପଣ 10 କ୍ଲାସ୍ ବାଲା 10 ବର୍ଷ experience ଦେଲି ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏଟ ଆଉ ଇଏ ପାଇବନି।
Those have got promotion, they have joined in the year 1992, my lord.
Code 9.
So,
seniority wise, that is what I'm, the seniority wise promotion is.
does
Yes,
the rule
yes,
say?
yes, rule says, my lord. Rule 13.
senior, ଆପଣ senior, ସେମାନେ senior?
Those are.
We are seniors. Give
ଆଉ
the
ଗୋଟେ
that.
କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ।
That's what I'm filing the
Yes.
affidavit, my lord.
File the chart.
My lord, I've already prepared.
Learn Council
That
State to file
particularly-
the seniority chart of all those persons,
22%.
22 persons who have been who have been promoted to ICDS supervisor vis-a-vis the present petitioner.
Present petitioner, no doubt. he has
I'm
joined
saying
in-
vis-a-vis the present petitioner, ଗୋଟେ ଚାର୍ଟ ବନାନ୍ତୁ। ଏ କାହିଁକି ପାଇବନି ସେମାନେ କାହିଁକି tabular chart.
If they are saying that we are juniors,
Sir, ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
yes.
ନା। I'm
But-
trying to solve
yes.
your problem.
Sir, yes, sir.
Let
Lordship fix a date, so that one.
Yeah, 5th.
5th, yes. But that is final lordship, that is last time also directed that. That is-
Once he
yes.
files, then only I can say na.
Today, yes.
Today.
You know what I've said?
Yes, I've already.
File the chart,
My lord, I've already
seniority
prepared.
list.
Yes, my lord, I've already.
ସିକିଏ କେବେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେବେ ଜଏନ୍ କରିଥିଲା?
2006, my lord.
Yes.
ଏମାନେ ବାକି
ଏମାନେ 92 ରୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲେ।
Let us give
I'm
that.
satisfied your lordship
Yes,
with
yes.
that.
if they are 1992 and they are 2006, then they have a case of this.
So admitted in the first phase of the.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. Next date.
He has joined in 21st June 2006.
Then there is a huge gap, sir. 14 years gap.
They are saying
14
that.
ବର୍ଷ।
Yes.
Sir, 14 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେମାନେ ପଇସାଙ୍କୁ ଦେବେନି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ?
ନାଇଁ sir, ଠିକ କଥା sir.
Then
କିନ୍ତୁ-
ସେଗୁଡା
ନାଇଁ sir, ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ 2003 ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ବି ଦିଆଯାଇଛି। 2003
ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଜୁନିୟର କାହାକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି କି?
sir, ସେଟା ଆମେ ଜାଣିପାରୁନୁ sir.
ଆପଣ ଚାର୍ଟ
Yes,
ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
yes. If my seniors have been given promotion, Lordship pass order. If we are eligible to give as per my seniority, yes, then the promotion would order regular sir.
Let him.
No, presumption is not. It is not a presumption.
No,
This is
let
under
him,
law.
let him.
It's not a
Let him
presumption.
pass.
Yes, if we are junior, you are saying that.
Next round. Next.
Item 42.
2. My lord, kindly give me 2 weeks for counter.
2023
Okay. 2 weeks.
ମାନେ entry order kindly continue.
ଅଛି interview card ଅଛି?
Yes, fine.
ठीक है. Next.
43.
This matter, although list strongly shows that some counter affidavit has been filed, copy has not been served on.
Copy sorted. I have the copy.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସତ୍ୟେନ୍ଦ୍ର କପି ଗୁଡ଼ା ଦେଇଦବା ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଏମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି କପି ରେଗୁଲାର ସଲ୍ଭ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଏଇଠି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଏଭରେସନ ହେଇଗଲା ଏଇଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ କାଉନସିଲ କପି ସର୍ଭ କରିଦେବା ବହୁତ ବଡ କଥା ଭଗବାନ ସେ କଣ କମ କି ଆପଣ ମାନେ କୋଉଥିରେ ହେଲେ କପି ଦିଅନ୍ତି ମାନେ କପି ପାଇଁ ପିପୁଲ ହାଭ୍ ଟୁ ଚେଜ ୟୁ ତ ଆପଣ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଫାଇଲ କରିବେ
Let me go through the.
You file the
required-
rejoinder.
If required, I'll
Okay.
file rejoinder.
You get the copy. I mean,
another
fixing 1st September कर दीजिए Next.
My lord, 1 week time be given. If required, I'll file rejoinder.
Okay, 14th है ना if rejoinder is file rejoinder is required 14th us next
44.
44
I was solicited by the state. I'm filed interim application for implementation of party to the SRC. This is a compensation matter relating to the due to the bomb blast in the school.
I know.
I have filed IA for implementation of party to the SRC in all 4 cases.
Let notice
notice is notice
notice agro party kora hai na to
କାହାକୁ
SRC party kora SRC को party kora jai
SRC Special Relief Commission କରିଛନ୍ତି party
हाँ
you file it
yes sir. So lordship kindly allow the
okay the IA filed by the London Council for the petition including SRC as a party is allowed. The notice issued to the SRC.
yes
If London Council for the state waves of notice on behalf of the SRC. Hala, copy दियंतु.
copy already filed.
Extra copy
Extra
दियंतु.
copy
हाँ.
tomorrow I will fill and I am also filing the consolidated cost title.
हाँ, consolidated cost title. If file. Next 45.
45.
Lordship fixed the date is a matter of 2012.
I've 14th, Ras, 14th. 14th. गुरु दिवस केवे की केवे गुरु दिवस केवे 5 तारीख रो पिला उनको कथा ना 5th रो not 14th okay गुरु दिवस भी कौन है ठीक है चल आगे तो गुरु दिवस शिशु दिवस सब भूल लीजिए next yes
45.
Application claiming compensation from the railway on the ground that the mother of the petitioner died while crossing an unmanned level crossing.
but unmanned level crossing ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଏଟା କାହା against railway କୁ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି railway କୁ ମାଗିଛନ୍ତି ଅଛି କିଛି problem
There are decisions of this and
no କିଛି scheme ଅଛି କି
unmanned na scheme.
scheme ने ये तो या ପାଇଁ କଣ କିଛି ତ ଥିବ ନା
Scheme
Unmanned
unmanned regulation there are decisions of this honorable court.
କଣ ବୋଲି ଅଛି decision unmanned level crossing ହେଇଥିଲେ the element of negligence is there always
That
people they don't they ପଳେଇବା ଚକ୍କରରେ ଯାଇକି ମରିବେ ଆଉ ତାପରେ ରେଲୱେ ବାଲା କଣ କରିବ ରେଲୱେରେ କିଛି ଦୋଷ ନାହିଁ ଅନମ୍ୟାନ ଦେଖିବେନି ଆଗରେ ତାଙ୍କର ଏଇଟା ଅଛି ନା ଟ୍ରେନ ଆଉଛି ଦେଖିବେନି ଅନମ୍ୟାନ ବୋଲେ ଲୋକ ଦେଖିବେନି ଏପଟେ ଆସୁଛି ଟ୍ରେନ ଜଣା କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେଖିଲେ which page
And the third one also will see the FIR. Annexure 1 page 8.
FR के ଦେଇଛି ରେଲୱେ page
Page 8 man.
9 stars.
ଏଇଟା ତ ଦେଖା ଯାଉଛି
Statement of income on duty SS from Sakipur from Sakpati report a memo that it dispatch widow.
As per memo of the driver and the guard. FR has been.
Statement of the informant, you also need a statement of the informant. It is the railway who has informed the station.
70 years old. Drive.
Ran over
Still
killed
at-
by the train number so passenger and take necessary action.
कोई जगह नहीं लिखते नहीं
लिखा है ना?
कोई जगह नहीं कोई जगह तो पाऊँ लाइन में लिखी कोड लिखा है BRD SIL line
मतलब वीर पुरुषोत्तमपुर बिटवीन वीर
line
पुरुषोत्तम
ना
हाँ
spot
You'll also need next manner. ये जो memo है, then for which manner the FIR was registered, page 9.
page 9 yes.
Now, please note that a trespass widow, aged about so and so, ran over a kilometer from so and so, between so and so of land.
जगह ना लिख लेनी कोई जगह रे
Decide as memo served on the driver train so साखी ऊपर पता
এটা কোন বীর পুরুষোত্তমপুর এন্ড সাকিওপাল
সেটি কোন কিছু ইয়ে
সেটা ନାହିଁ ଅନମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଲେବଲ କ୍ରସିଂ ନାହିଁ
ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ସ୍ପଟ ଥିବା ଦରକାର ନା ଅଲଗା ଜାଗାରେ
ହଁ
ପ୍ରଥମତଃ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ପାଖରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲେବଲ କ୍ରସିଂ ଅଛି ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଲେବଲ କ୍ରସିଂ ଅନମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଲେବଲ କ୍ରସିଂ ଟା ହେଇଛି and you receive that thereafter the investigation was made
ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ କଣ କରୁଛି
by GRP.
କଣ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ସେଠି
The lodging kind of the case 20.
20 during course of inquiry
Page 20 no 1 2 3 hard paragraph. I ascertain for the so and so case to please to and directed one so and so for the date of the BC noted.
no if there is no policy for sir just a minute if there is no policy for unmanned trafficking any accident then how the compensation can be given there is no policy by the government for unmanned level crossing accident
That's why
this order
division bench decision
division is not binding no it is
division bench decision and that I have got
what they have done in the decision what they have said which paragraph
that the lordship is holding on 2012 volume 1 will and after discussing everything
no where they have discussed this they have discussed a lot of case laws are written here but where is the factual discussion
paragraph 5
5
Right. It is the case of the district Prakash Ranjan Sahu along with the team riders going in a motorcycle, but unfortunately they were crossing the unmanned railway crossing. The alleged accident occurred as both sides of the railway lines were not visible to the person crossing the railway line. The railway authorities have not taken sufficient precautions in the particular level crossing, for which every year the people are facing the accident causing their death and bodily injury without any fault from their side.
here unmanned level crossing is there but where is the unmanned level crossing in your case
That I am showing to the lordship that finally level crossing.
who is claiming this is the daughter son
So now my lord, the daughters have come forward. They are also there.
compensation ମିଳିନି daughter ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲୁନି compensation ତ ମିଳୁ ଆଗ we are for the daughter तो आपण कब आश्चर्य था
Because the court has directed.
ओ पांतु से पाई नहीं जाए ताकि कॉम्पेंसेशन दिया हवा कि नहीं डिसाइड ही नहीं
ହେଲେ ଆମର କିଛି claim ନାହିଁ। ସବୁ well settled, established, well settled.
वेरी गुड सिस्टम
Very established. That court system.
But your lordship may allow with that application. Let them included as parties.
they are included not included yet
Today they are filing.
तो आपण नोटिस इसलिए दिला
ना
तो
notice
included फाइल काहे करू आपण की दरकार नाही काहे फाइल करू
no, court asked that as because, as he has not filed the legal hair certificate, court asked the legal hair certificate.
okay I understood can you just have anything in a policy decision oh Mr. Railway you have any policy decision anything about the compensation for the unmanned traffic railway no policy तो आउ किसी अच्छी सुप्रीम कोर्ट रा किसी अच्छी ठीक है देखिए I'm just giving you few days now. If you find some more cases on Supreme Court.
That government level proceeding. Since my lord, it is not challenged for the apex court, they have complied.
गुटे जानते ना चैलेंज करिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट और टिके दिया तो हेल्प ठीक है अपन और असिस्ट करिए ना खाली खबर दे देबी बिना असिस्टेंस से ए गुटे आउ किसी आउ टिके रिसर्च करंतु सुप्रीम कोर्ट
This is one of government.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट देखो ना थिबो
Onward to proceeding.
ठीक है देखंतु खोजंतु ठीक है खोजंतु असिस्ट देखिए आउ टिके खोज के देखो एटा रखि आ गुटे भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट जजमेंट दियंतु मो काई कहूची कि I want to pass a good order but provided you assist me any supreme court then that भलो हवा okay
खाली रेलवे एक्ट का प्रोवाइड को पैसेंजर लोग हां रेलवे एक्ट प्रोवाइड को कंपनसेशन ओनली रिलेटेड टू द पैसेंजर्स
that I know already am the same case कितने डील कर लेते हैं पचारची if anything they are in supreme court कौन सी गुडे इन करची then we'll see that list matter fourth find out निश्चित थिबो कोटा कोन थिबो होउची एते वर्ष भीतर गुडे कोन एंती पास एते लोग मरछन हेइ न थिबो निश्चित थिबो
बाबू से एटा चैलेंज करते ना डिसमिस हो जाए
let's see एटा भी डिसमिस हो जाए मैं चाहने मैं ऑर्डर जाके डिसमिस सेटी को that is the reason why I'm not passing anything just like
नहीं एटा तो रेलवे अगेंस्ट में जाइतला ना they must have preferred appeal before the honorable apex court
ये रेलवे अगेंस्ट अंदर से जीवे अलगा ने जान दिन से जीवे पक्का रेलवे वाला संग संग दौड़ी
सेते बाबू से डिसमिस करता ना एते बड़े डिसीजन
यार भी तुम देखिए यार कौन ही यार नेक्स्ट मनु पात्र देखि देबो यार नेक्स्ट लेवल जाना पड़े
नहीं
मदर को शेयर कॉपी दो
एटा सुप्रीम कोर्ट चेक करबे आलू सीतर
many decisions of this honorable court
एई ऑनरेबल कोर्ट त केते डिसीजन जाके माडा खाइ जे सेडा देखु ना खाली खाली डिसीजन दे देला कोन हो माडा त खाइ जाउची ना
माडा कोन
आउ सेठी न से जो रेलवे गला जो हेइ दिबा आपण जानि नु ना हमें जानि नु ना कोन हेइ सेठी चेक करबे
ये दीटा को आगे रिलाय करके सब गुडा को डिसीजन
ना हो मो आउट एक्स्ट्रा एक्सकोसा से
आगे
ये देखिए नेक्स्ट
फोर्थ
डिस्कस अलाउड
डिस्कस अलाउड होता है
इम्प्लीमेंट करछु ना इम्प्लीमेंट हवा ना इम्प्लीमेंट केदा इम्प्लीमेंट हां नेक्स्ट
item 46 I need some time to file
yes
to file counter I need some time Miller item 46
अरे कोड सुबुची बंद कर
ये Miller video has been
बंद करो why are not stopping
46
तब की अछि
46 item 46 Miller
की
I am for the opposite party
I am appearing for 46
अरे सर आगुडे की
opposite party
opposite party की
Miller I am for the opposite party RC साहब advocate
मो देखा जाव नांती आपण
video has been closed from my lord side
आपण न देखा जाय मैं आपण मानबी नहीं आपण
video has been closed from my lord
नहीं वीडियो क्लोज करबे नहीं काय करबे ए वीडियो खोलो
video has been closed
हां भाई को देखा गला आपण
बंद कर देथिले सर
आपण मझरे जो अलगा केस चलाले मझरे पसी आसला बंद कर दो Intruders are not allowed.
I pressed some time to file counter.
Counter file करबी कहले नहीं.
My lord, he has already taken a proceed for.
आपण ଆଉ केते दिन नेबे counter ପାଇଁ sir?
Sir, reasonable time दिया जाओ फाइल कर पारनी फर्स्ट टाइम आसुचे एटा मो जमा नहीं सर का फर्स्ट टाइम लिस्टिंग में
My lord, this is
आफ्टर माय अपियरेंस
रोहन तो आपण चुपचाप रहबे नले एपडे आसंतु आपण ये कहउछन पिटिशन आग सुनंतु.
My lord, this is identical to the case like WPC 18,748 of 2022.
Order
This is identical. This order has been reserved. And I have written the written loads of submission.
Oh, star incident.
Star.
Just let him find the reply, then it will be better.
This is identical. My lord, this is identical. With that of.
Okay, let it come on 11.
Departure, nothing departure.
11 शेष order पाइसी बाबा.
सर मैं प्रे टू 15
11 आगे आपण एपडी के आसीबे नाले चुपचाप बसी रहंतु. Why are you unnecessary disturbing?
सर 15 तारिख मागु 11
के अटकन तो मैं कहूची कथा होची आपण मझरे मझरे कहि जाउ. सर पिटिशनर आगो माने फिजिकली आसी तांग से कथा हिस्से आपण आसी कहि हला.
सर आई एम फिजिकली डिजेबल्ड.
मैटर जदी पेंडिंग अछि हमर विल पास ऑर्डर भीतर दे दो. तो सिमिलर क्षेत्र जहां हबो ऑर्डर आपण इन द मीन टाइम से जहां फाइल करे फाइल करंतु बुझिला. लेट हिम फाइल द रिप्लाई. लेट इट कम ऑन
15
केबे 15
सर
15 कोन पई
ठीक है 11 तारिख इनकन्वीनियंस अछि
12 होता है.
सर ठीक है 15 तारिख हो एक्चुअली छै 2-3 दिन
आपण किछि करे आपण को आर्गुमेंट करे देबिनी आपण
सर आई एम सॉरी
मु तो ऑर्डर सिमिलर ऑर्डर पास कर देबी गल.
सर 15 तारिख को 2-3 दिन कथा तो सर आई एम फिजिकली डिजेबल्ड देयरफॉर आई एम नॉट एबल टू अपीयर.
नॉट सेटा मु कहनी सर मझरे टिके आपण सुनिबे कथाडा मझरे पसी आसला डिस्टरबेंस हुए सेही कथा कहूची आपण अपीयर करबे मना नहीं जेटू.
सर नेक्स्ट 15 तारिख
I find this note submission that may be kept into record.
ठीक है. Next.
Lordship 47.
Virtual mode, my lord, the petitioner has preferred this writ application seeking inter alia to challenge the letter under annexure. Am I
कहबे नहीं मैं annexure पेनेसर नहीं सीधा कोन हला फटफट शॉर्टकट कोन दु annexure पेनेसर कोन दु.
My lord, rejection of the claim of the petitioner due to delay in filing of the claim application before the authority
by the BPCL Mumbai
Insurance company.
Insurance company. I am for the insurance company, my lord.
रोंदु इंश्योरेंस कंपनी फाइल करथिले केते दिन तर भीतर करिया कथा
वर्ष भीतर करिया कथा से वर्षे 8 मास पर क्लेम
आपण टाइमली न कला केंदी हेबो.
Your lordship may kindly see at the relevant time, at the time of death of my grandson, I was at the time COVID peak of COVID situation is there. I could not came from Devgarh to Cuttack to collect the relevant documents. After the COVID period, I appeared and collected all the documents and submitted the documents before the authority.
When was the accident?
My lord, what time?
When did it take place?
Ma'am, pray, my lord.
Accident. Kebe halla?
May just time pray, my lord. And I have also not
on 9 to.
We have not received the.
You are from?
I am
BPCL.
BPCL like this role achi.
Ithre insurance coverage is there. I have trusted upon
so
my.
Insurance coverage kete thai? Gas cylinder.
Yes, ma'am.
Kete thai?
Gas actually I am trying to develop a case. It is within 3 years I can make a claim.
अरे sir मु पचार से कितने amount था है maximum claim?
That is depends upon the policy on that date, my lord.
What policy? सब उधर gas cylinder जोड़े नला तो तांगर गुटे था है system
every year there is a renewal of
कितने अच्छी
I can't say, man.
ये तभी जाने नहीं दिया
My lord, may I submit, my lord?
policy जाने में नहीं किंतु वो
May I submit, my lord?
रोहन
Counter, yeah.
BPCL में कितने insurance policy coverage कितने था?
That point of time it was 6 lakhs matter at the time of filing of the case. It is written there.
बहुत amount था. आज ये net rate खोजिबे कितने amount था कोई भी.
It is there in the annexure itself, my lord.
Running page 25.
Personal accident.
हाँ?
Personal accident cover is 6 lakhs.
40,
26.
26 lakh.
Running page 26 re your lordship may kindly see, I have given the policy. It was mentioned that the personal accident cover up to rupees 6 lakhs per person, event in case of death.
So 6 lakhs.
6
lakh.
lakhs.
So आपण delay ପାଇଁ ଦେଲେନି. But COVID period କରିବେନି? COVID period minus କରିବେନି? ସେ delay ଟାକୁ delay ଦେଇଦେବେ ପଇସା.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Delay
I am
will be
submitting, I am
considered.
submitting, my lord.
Submit.
And we have not altered our counter copy, my lord. So what is?
Counter copy.
Again, ଆମେ ଟିକେ we will move.
ଦେଇଦେବେ ଏତେ counter matter କରିବେ.
Again, ଆମେ ଟିକେ ଯିବୁ because on it is violating the term and condition of the police, my lord. Because
What terms and condition?
and
COVID time ଲୋକ movement କରି ପାରୁନଥିଲେ ସେ କୋଉଠି ଯିବ collection ତାକୁ extra time.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ତ online ରେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଙ୍କୁ ଦେବେ ଆଉ ଇଏଟା
online ସେ ବୁଢା ବୁଢୀ ଲୋକ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଁର କି online କୋଉଠି ଯିବ ବାହାରକୁ ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବ ଗାଁରେ ସବୁ ଗାଁରେ
let us my lord alter.
ତୁ ଗାଁରୁ ଗାଁରେ ଜଣ ଯିବ ଗାଁରେ ନଥିବ ସେ ଗାଁରୁ କୋଉଠି ଯିବ ପାଖ ଗାଁକୁ କି କୋଉଠି ସହରକୁ ଯିବ ସେଠି ତାର ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ସେ ଥିଲେ ତ ଯିବ ଦେବ.
Yeah, it is the duty of the BPCL.
I am saying you have to give it, you have to give it. Bas ମୁଁ pass କରିବି.
Your lordship may pass. My lord, your lordship may pass any order, my lord. Let us, my lord, we will alter. We have not. What he has, my lord, what he has filed a counter. My lord, what he has filed a counter, I have not received, my lord. So we will alter our counter. Your lordship may fix up 14, my lord. Your lordship, on that day, your lordship.
14 alter the counter, but one thing.
Your lordship, I will abide by the law. I have indeed, my lord. I have indeed, my lord. Your lordship.
See, person is, see, you are announcing the policy. Don't you think that you are doing some charity? No. They are also giving, when they are paying the price for the cylinder, in that it is also inclusive.
My lord.
CC. दिया ही जाइए सेटा पैसा आपण कनेक्शन नेला बेलटू से सब दिया ही थाए
आगे हमें ऑर्डर कर दो ये काउंटर
आ दया कला वाला
14 डी लॉटरी की फाइल है
को कला वाला के होजंदी बीपीसीएल तो से एग्री करछि आपण कोन सुविधा अछि सी एग्री करिवे
अल्टीमेटली वी विल पे द अमाउंट
हां अल्टीमेटली तो आपण हाथ रो देबे तो आ लोकन को पैसा तो देबे आ कोन वी विल पे देबे
नहीं वी विल गो बाय द पिटिशन ये लॉटरी 14 यू टेक द
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इंदा कहे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को हमें एते दे दिलु अरे स्टेट गवर्नमेंट रो पैसा टैक्स तो तो नौछो दोछो हमें एति दे दिलु सेति दे दिलु सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एति दे दिला स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सब टैक्स कोड जाउची सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट टैक्स स्टेट हो जाउची टैक्स स्टेट रो
have already taken so many times my lord.
अरे रुआन तुम टाइम टिके अटकी जा एक तो निजर भूल अछि आ बेसी কথা जार भूल दिवस से चुपचाप रहिबो तम भूल पे हमें तो कवर कला वाला तुम एटा अधिक
May I please your lordship?
नेक्स्ट
May I please your lordship?
49 48 yes
My lord, it's a matter of funny compensation, my lord.
कौन ला देलेनी
Nay, Deleni, my lord has ordered to give the amount,
कौन
but in fact the state had filed a counter.
कौन पेड फाइल कर तुम काउंटर पड़े इंटरेस्टेड भी नहीं
से जो घरटे से क्लेम करछन सेट से रहू नांती से कंपनसेशन
अरे सर जेते बेले तो कंपनी एते वर्ष हलाने सेट से रहउतु माने अछि व्हाट इज दिस
सेते बेले
आपन तो असेसमेंट करा गला आपन असेस कले
अच्छा
रोहंतु आपन को ऑफिसर जाके असेस कला ना नहीं
प्रथमे
no just listen to me your officer visited and found that that is the amount and admitted and accordingly आपन गोटे पैसा देई भी देले प्रिलिमिनरी अमाउंट भी देई देले
आउथरे इन्फॉर्मेशन
बिल्कुल आउथरे नहीं से देबे आपन
अच्छा मु खाली रिपोर्ट टा टिके पढ दउ चार लाइन तब व्हाट एवर माय लॉर्ड डिसाइड्स मु खाली हेरा पेज नंबर 10 अछि एनेक्स ऑफ B/3 काउंटर मु खाली पढी दउची दिस इज फ्रॉम द रेवेन्यू इंस्पेक्टर एज आपन आदेश मते हमें अतिरिक्त तहसीलदार आशुतोष दे राजस्व परिदर्शक प्रमित कुमार प्रधान और राजस्व निरीक्षक सुभस्मिता साहू सह मौजा कन्हई विद्याधरपुर उपरोक्त विषय निमित्त तदंत पे जाइथिलु उक्त मौजा रे किछि लोकन उपस्थित रे रश्मिता प्रधान स्वामी परशुराम प्रधान को तांको गृह आमको देखाइथिले सेठारे तदंत करिवारे जणा गला जे दर्शाउथिबा प्लॉट नंबर 1369 1370 जहार प्रजा पूर्णचंद्र मिश्र सत्यनारायण मिश्र पिता रघुनाथ मिश्र जाति ब्राह्मण साही कन्हई विद्याधरपुर अटंती एवं से गृहटी को जगराखा करती रश्मिता प्रधान से गृहटी निजर दर्शाई एक नोटरी एग्रीमेंट देखाइथिले किंतु एग्रीमेंट रो उपरोक्त प्लॉट रो कोनोसी उल्लेख नथिला सेही गृह रे रोसेई निमंते कोनोसी चुली नथिवरु सेठारे से साई भाबे रहिवार कोनोसी सूचना मिल नथिला से अन्यत्र रहउथवार जणा जाय किंतु से गृह से देखाइ नथिला एथि सहित दर्शा जायथिबा फोटो नोटरी एग्रीमेंट रो जेरॉक्स कॉपी
एटा आपन केबे करेटा
एटा हला 5/8/23
आउ फर्स्ट जोटा केबे करथले
7/11/19
7/11/19 एते 3 वर्ष पर आपण निद केंदी भांगिला एते कथा जानि दिले
My lord, may I pray one thing, my lord?
just after 3 years it suddenly becomes so wiser.
That's
At the time of initial thing, all these things could not have been checked.
I am only placing the
No,
report.
no, I'm not saying you. I'm saying your department.
see, after
The
receiving
departmental
notice-
officer became suddenly wiser after 3 years, and in the first initially, where these things could have been ascertained initially also. If initially this could have been could have been
Sir, the
ascertained or not.
preliminary immediately they release that and said that upon detailed survey karantu tapar release karibe. That is what they
Second
have
first,
2019
second first.
again. They dele.
Now you say what do you say?
My lord, para
Initially ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମାନେ
My lord.
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କିଛି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ
10,000 my lord ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
Ah.
My lord, para 4 in the counter. It is mentioned that in the reply in the order made in para 1, it is humbly submitted that a matter relates to the property situated during the first inquiry. The petitioner has been declared by the government to get such financial benefits on the account of the damage to her kacha house. They have admitted in para 4. My lord, kindly come the annexure A by 3 of their proceedings of the review meeting, where in para 9 it is mentioned the beneficiary who have been paid full amount 20,000, 10,000 under the full year civilly
that
category.
about that he is not saying. He is saying अच्छा मते गोटे कथा कहले आपन प्लॉट रो जो ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट माने देखिले जाना पड़े
My lord,
गेट द ओरिजिनल डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफ द प्लॉट को हिसाब रे आपन से प्लॉट ता आपन मते देखे
my lord,
हला
my lord.
आपण 1369 और 1370 प्लॉट रो आपनकर जो कबला
Sell deed, sell deed.
सell deed देखन
My lord,
देखला पर जाना पड़ियो हला
my lord, my lord.
तर से कबला नहीं कैसे देखियो तापर में देखियो
My lord, the review.
गुडे 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 जो ए जो फनी भलिया कि नेचुरल कैलामिटी ला किछि लोकंकर बेनिफिट भी है ना कार सर्वनाश कार पुष्यमास pertaining to his or her ownership hela of the plot that is shown.
My lord, सेटा बड़ा तंग बड़ा बापांग कथा था.
13 जहार हेतु 1369 1370 बड़ बापांकर गले तांको भी मिलिथिबो फिर
ना ना ना.
तांको मिलिथिबो
No, we'll shown an update that they have not gone. They have not taken.
आपण देलेसन चेक करबेनी आपण कते दूर जाई जाई तांको हाथ रे सब अछि.
My lord, that the 10,000 also had not been recovered in the meeting held by the collector.
आपण फास्ट आपण 10,000 पाइबे सर्वे डर लागले न.
My lord.
Next
49.
49
May I please allow? Item 49, my lords, I am appealing for the opposite party number 4, New India Assurance Company Limited. I pray 3
Which-
stand
yeah, for
for
the
file
petition.
counter. My lord,
yeah for the petitioners.
I am a petitioner.
What is the issue?
This means that is the on car festival during the car festival in the 2011, my lord. The petitioner's husband had died.
11 means that during that Navakalabara? No.
Rathayatra, my lord.
during Rathayatra.
Rathayatra, my lord.
In the year
The petitioner's
2011.
husband died in a stampede, my lord.
Stampede.
My lord, stampede, my lord. Therefore, the petitioner prays for insurance which has been covered between the date of Navakalabara to Niyadi Vijay, my lord. That is the covered 50 for
सब
50.
लोगों को दिया जाए इंश्योरेंस कवर लोगों को सब दिया ही ना
No,
प्राइवेटली करते
no, no, no. There are number of decisions of this.
अरे डिसीजन को कहीं जानते फैक्ट करेगी
Facts, that is-
मते यदि गोटे मिनट अलाउ करियो
हाँ।
बुझेई देबी if lordship will permit me.
Sure.
I am appearing for Jagannath temple. We have made an insurance with the insurance policy that whoever will die in the insurance stampede, the insurance company will pay rupees 1 lakh. Now your lordship may kindly come to page 30 for a minute. Page 30. यही रीजन ने इंश्योरेंस कंपनी मना करछि लाख टंका दबाकू. Page 30 30. This is the order of the collector. Page 30. Topic number 3, administrator Sri Jagannath Temple submitted insurance policy was issued by the New India for the period at which cover personal accident.
अच्छा एबन आपण सेटा केमती से जो इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीटा करंती एते लोक केमती
हमर जहा सिस्टम अछि गोटा लमसम दे दउ से कवर्ड हुए.
ना 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 ए लोक मु सपोज मु जाइनी मु जाइथली रथयात्रा जाइथली घरे से मर्जी थे मगला रथयात्रा स्टैंड
से इंक्वायरी
को एग्जांपल मु दउ
आपण कथा बुझी सेटा इंक्वायरी हबो इंक्वायरी पुलिस इंक्वायरी एथे से डिस्प्यूट नहीं.
अच्छा नहीं मु जस्ट फॉर माय
your lordship is absolutely right. Now your lordship may kindly see the insurance company is rejected. The reason say you OP number 3 administrator आमे कहिछु समस्त को पेमेंट हेछि the postmortem report your lordship has the short paragraph in inverted comma the cause of death appears to be due to acute gross myocardial infraction leading to shock and cardiac failure the nature of death
sir
appears to be natural-
hold on sir 1 minute sorry एते भिडरे स्टैम्पेड लोकंगर कार्डियक रे भी तो मरि परिबो
सेटा के मु पूरा मु मना करूनी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी एति पई मना कला टू कलेक्टर रिजेक्ट करछि इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लाख टका देबे मु तो सेया कहूची
दियंतु
मु तो
ସେଇଟା
सर कार्ड्स
God,
लोक
doctor-
स्टैम्पेड सेमती कार्डियक रे मरि
आगे I am
I'm
supporting
not-
the case of the petitioner
I'm not on that one. For professionalism, Lordship, allow me 2 weeks time. I will file the counter. Then
you file a counter
Mine.
okay Lord Council insurance company to file the counter within 2 weeks but one thing sir ए जो रीजन कहउछंती रीजन ता तो सेति केमति मरिबो जे हेले भी से आपण घटा घटा जवान लोग भी स्टैम्पेड हेमरेज शॉक रे मरिबो तो सेटा कहबे नहीं ये हम इंश्योरेंस देबुनी हबो
now
केमति हबो
if your lordship if your lordship will ask me for this petty 1 lakh rupees they should not find this
no that's what I am surprised
yes
आपण तो लॉयर फी ताडो 1 लाख ही दिबो आपण तो 10 रिपेयर करे हे गला से फ्री जगन्नाथ मंदिर
आपु से पे काउंटर फाइल कर दियो
जगन्नाथ मंदिर से फ्री करछन जगन्नाथ मंदिर केबे नियंती नि
जगन्नाथ से पे
बट आपण तो एते खर्च करछि इंश्योरेंस कंपनी
ना ना मते एते फीस दिए नहीं
okay next I'm giving 2 weeks 25th class
but now the amount of 1 lakh has increased to 5 lakhs
सर सेते बेले जोटा सेटा हबो एंती कला हबनी
at that time they are giving
लोक एते कला हबनी सेते बेले जाते सेटा आ एबे 5 लाख गेला आपण 5 लाख नै
11 वर्ष रे जातिला
the law governing at the time of the incident that will govern whatever policy govern
yes
प्रति वर्ष से पॉलिसी अलग अलग होची तार पॉलिसी पनि एबे एथर जे मत तार से 5 लाख पाइबो हां एति मिलुची बोली आपण 5 लाख पाइबो दिन हेले बा 50
50.
your lordship is fixed to 25th
yeah 25
CRL is for hearing my lord 50 is a CRL for hearing
काई के ना थिगा ठीक अछि आपण none appears
my lord before my lord rises I had to submit a memo for a judgment that is reserved for submitting some information that I had missed out
Maybe pardon my lord. Madam, that item 3. Wrongly, because of my wrong submission, your lordship has imposed 1,000 cost on the petitioner.
se jo junior kohutila gote asikiri
No, that
ताको तो छक कर दे
no, because of the item 3, my lord, because of my wrong submission.
what is wrong
माने that से जो petitioner husband जे से तार 5टा LIC करथिला से मरि गेला परे से इता वाइफ जे 3टा petition पर आगु ना 3टा पॉलिसी पर
अलग पॉलिसी नंबर
करथिला मु ताको भोले related come 5th